Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Chris Christie, Governor of New Jersey. I'm filling in for the Pope himself, Mike Francesa. I'm here to take any and all calls and answer your questions, sports-related, please. All right, we got Joe from Parsippany. Joe, how are you?
Hey, what's up, pal? Hey, Chris, first time, long time. First of all, I want to tell you that you got a pussy fatter than Roseanne Barr. That's first off top. Secondly, you fucking schmuck. You fucking closed the bridge for no goddamn reason.
Okay, we're going to go to the next caller. We're going to take the next caller. By the way, I'm Chris Christie. Most of you might not know me. I'm the governor of New Jersey. I also really wish I was Tony Soprano. And for that reason alone, I closed an entire metropolitan bridge and caused all types of damage. But that's neither here nor there. We have John from Passaic County. John, how you doing?
Hey, Chris, you fucking piece of shit. I saw you hugging that fucking Kenyan Obama, and now you're fucking riding with Rudy Giuliani, who's the true God. Which side are you on, you piece of shit? Huh? I'm gonna hang up and listen. First time, long time, by the way.
Okay, this is going not as well as I thought it would be. Well, come on, go! What is that? That's Mark Francesa's music! That's Mark Francesa's music! Well, get off the fucking mic, you piece of garbage. Give me my fucking mic back. Steve, get me a fucking Coke. First of all, let me tell you something. Barack Obama should never hug an American because he's a Kenyan. And Kenyans should never hug Americans. That's first off. Second of all, Aaron Judge is the second coming of Derek Jeter. And don't you dare say that he uses HGH. That's a lie. Listen to me. Take the over on the Mets tonight. And also, Stu Leonard has a great deal on Malbecs. So go check that out. Tell him Mike sent you. This is the Pope signing off. I'm doing the intro for Bodega Boys because sometimes I do Negro spirituals. Do the fucking drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Wow! Wheel up! Whoa! Episode 71!
Damn!
Bodega Boys back in the building.
Niggas is hot.
We're coming in hot.
That's right.
We're coming in. We're landing on Southwest.
You know what I'm saying?
The fucking landing gear's not coming out. They
It's
told us
not
to put our
coming
feet
out,
out, slow the float.
I don't know.
Use the Flintstone shit to slow the plane
Listen.
down when it hits the runway.
Well, let me ask
So
you
we're
a
landing in
point.
LaGuardia.
Let me ask you an important question. You used to be heavy on the OK Player Boys. You're probably more of a hip hop head than I.
You know.
The two members of Dead Prez are who?
Stickman and M1.
I'm Stickman right now.
Ooh.
Let's fucking get it.
Let's
You know what I'm
fucking get
saying?
it. It's episode 71 of the most illustrious podcast. A podcast.
That's right.
This podcast is the audio version of Hoop Dreams, except hopefully
saying?
it has a happier ending.
Much happier.
Much happier. What happened at the end? They both died or some shit?
The niggas died.
They didn't die. Niggas die every day in the hood.
Niggas die every day in the hood.
Niggas die living.
But guess what?
Not us.
We gonna die rich, nigga.
That's right. Ching, 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 ching. Coming to you live from Red Bull Studios. You hear that crystal clear clarity? That was us giving us our fellatio. It's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Jesus Vice, a.k.a. Chung Chipotle, Pickle Stay Fat Material, Christoph Pussling Dick, Eli Lipby, Butchus Gully. Some of them I know your bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando Durando, 1924 York, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Lickle Gunga P, putting up from 40 with your shorty. A.k.a. don't talk to me in the overpool.
I don't even know who you are, dude. We're not acquaintances.
The original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pal, the ghost of Mufasa.
Mufasa, please do not go to East Tremont and Samson Avenue.
Thank you. Young Chakunery out the Coonery, a.k.a. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, okay. Remember in 1971 when I protested because Richie Valentine's plane crashed?
That's
and,
good.
You know,
That's good. But
thick as hell.
remember the puree we had in the airport that night?
Remember we ran Triz on Ivy Queen?
Oh, my God. La caballota.
Hey, Vice K. Mazuguaka, 3 Phone Jones, DJ Sake Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot blurry.
Disgusting.
With people you can't Google because new porn stars have come out that took their same name and now you get confused.
Now they're way low in the power rankings.
Oh, it's so sad.
Midori's number 568.
Oh, man.
Damn.
Poor Midori. We'll talk about her later. DJ Walleye, a.k.a. you're listening to Washed. FM.
Yeah, up next. What do we
Washed FM. Coming up next, we have a mega mix of Colonel Abrams.
Wow.
Look, here we go. Desus Spicer, Jamal Hasburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew, the Moreno you can't contain, or the human M.A. Word to Ja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henry Budquest, Nelson Bandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Bufin, the human Werthers melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Becketed, Ricky Tiki Squad B, Great Popovich, Mr. Shopping that street easy with a bad breezy like I'm Yeezy, please believe me. The black Asiatic who crack your back like an automatic craft Maddie, Mr. Lamarina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor, a code to meet, aka your problematic babe. I believe the earth is flat.
Him and Kyrie Irving on a private jet discussing it next week. Tune in, it'll be streamed. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, Poppy Shampoo, aka the Human Durant Clap, aka Donovan McNabb, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa, aka Skirt Loader. You know what I'm saying? I take my turns a little wide, aka James St. Fat Dick. I'll ghost on you, shorty, aka I know fucking baby, I fucking man.
Respect his agency.
Respect my dad. Check against us. I trust the fuck against us again. And no, I'm not stepping to the side, you fat fuck. You probably got diabetes, you big for nothing motherfucker. I'm dead, I get you clapped. Woo! Take my C's to Tai Chi, nigga. It's the fucking dad of the year. Ben Smack, but Yumbo, nigga. Feel the ass Tyson. Lionel Messi, Molto Bene. Tom Brady, yeah, shorty got my balls, got deflated. Roger DeGale is pressing them now. Woo. You know what I'm saying? Dominican Dandana, Dick in your bay, Matumbo, Ben Boss, and the precision of a Gucci Breitling. I will reconstruct your cranium using only popsicle sticks derived from Fudge Pops, Wild Paws. Keep your panties on, ma. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lionel Dutchy. Hello. Is it weird you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got five. I'll open your medicine cabinet, nigga, secure your benzos, cause it's the Zen Man. AKA the EDM god Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport 2 for 5. AKA Nino Brown, AKA East Tremont Stevie B. I wanna be the one your titi is sucking. AKA the plantains you been over in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Rocking Gucci, I just boofed that Garden State. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Trade rumors abound, but you know who's staying in the city.
Who?
Barmelo's Anthony.
I'm Phil Jackson. I'm mad.
Get mad, Yoga Zen Master. If you see me and talk, I respect my agency. Approach me like an ursine mammal while I erratically untidy the snack aisle. DJ Hasan y tírame la pista, coño. Que lo que mi gente llegó el actor de película, el Denzel dominicano. Si tiene miedo, mamá huevo, ponte un chaleco, mamá dick. Mennington Q es el campeón. Aquí con mi primo Dizo haciendo un corino malo, tú sabes. Prenda la juca y rola los Philly, que pronto toco el patio y vengo a dar parrama de patearlo como Valderrama. You know what I'm saying? Tírame una vaina bacana. Yo! God damn! Is that the Filth God Twitter feed, nigga? Is that the
It was like, turn over the side A, man. Nobody understand that. Nobody understand that Mexican rice and beans gibberish you were just yelling.
Yeah.
You know what it sounds like? It sounds like a noise complaint. I just moved to Dykeman, and let me tell you, there's 1, 2, 3, too many hookahs out here at 4 a.m.
Let me tell you something. Shout out to Dykeman. We won. Cops can no longer enter your building due to a noise complaint. Shout out to New York pricks and dicks.
Yes.
They can't stop our flaws.
Yes, because we all know New York prick and dicks, they operate using the law. Like that ever stopped them from entering your house in the first place. Now they're just gonna come in with the wild attitude.
Hey, so I don't fucking like Zion and Lennox.
Whoa. Is that a baby?
Shit.
Is that a baby? Is that a baby? Oh, is that I know fucking baby?
Hey.
I want to make everyone claro. Your from is the bookings. Let's go, asshole.
My from is the 33rd precinct, you piece of shit.
Okay.
Get in the fucking car.
Okay. Look at my dab as I dab my cuffs on you, you little piece of pernil. Oh, man. Shout out to the sponsor. Shout out to Narcan. Shout out to Red Bull. As always, this blessed abode where we record the art.
You know what I'm saying?
Couldn't do it without Red Bull.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Red Bull. Shout out to Narcan. No shout out to ISIS. You know as always, they lost Mosul. Boo. Losers. Losers.
You gotta get your gold up.
What happened to your little caliphate?
You need to get more resources.
Damn. Used to be the homie.
You know what I'm saying?
What the fuck happened to you?
What happened to you? You soft
now they're saying that ISIS is like breaking up now because remember Al Qaeda, who dropped Illmatic, which was 9/11. Very problematic to say that, but you know, let's keep it funky.
Okay.
Al Qaeda had a purpose. Like Al Qaeda wanted to take over the whole world and shit. ISIS, their end game was like some religious war where we all killed each other, and people was just like, I don't think that's happening.
Yeah.
Niggas like, yo, we running out of black jumpsuits.
Yeah.
No, what's like the guy making the ISIS flags is like, yo, like y'all niggas haven't paid me in 3 months.
Like, come on, fam. Like my check dead ass bounce.
Y'all can't pay me in YouTube videos of people dying in RAV4s and pools. Like, I can't. That was cool the first month, but my kids, they can't.
Dog, y'all niggas can't get some dinars up here?
Like, what the fuck?
Like, come on, what's really good with y'all?
So they're thinking like now ISIS is gonna break up into like mad little affiliate groups and shit. Like,
boy, they're gonna do
the Wu-Tang and start making like their little.
They dumping Latoya?
They working on side projects and shit.
It's gonna be like Skull Gang 730, ISIS. Members of ISIS featuring Max B.
Niggas, ISIS, individual ISIS members coming out with streetwear lines and shit.
ISIS Gambinos.
Oh shit. Just working on some track pants.
Fuck out of here. But niggas don't want to hit a Bravehearts ISIS, nigga.
Wu-Tang party. Fucking ISIS party.
Get out of here.
Shout out to the flippant disregard in the way we talk about a terrorist organization.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Fuck it.
Yeah, they're not coming to the Bronx.
Nah, they're not.
What a week. So much been going on.
So much shit.
Rob Chyna?
Rob Chyna's so messy. Dog.
I love it.
So messy.
I love
bro.
it. I love the messiness.
Oh, God.
It's messy like
yo.
putting your foot into a Timberland boot full of ramen noodles.
Oh,
like
bro.
that's the kind of that feeling. Yeah, think about it. Yeah,
I
it's
saw
slimy
that
on your
and
foot.
I instantly felt so bad for him, bro. Like, I did my usual smacked as fuck leaning Instagram live shit. And I was like, I feel bad for this nigga, dog.
Yeah.
Because T.I. even chimed in and was like, yo, you look like a herb, my nigga.
And then he was like, y'all had a threesome with... I was like, whoa, Rob. Robbie, very
like,
messy on the...
But he's putting shit out there that's like embarrassing himself. Like,
he didn't win anything.
Like, dog, why don't you be like, yo, shorty got herpes. Here's a picture of her church looking wild grapefruit. Like, you know what I'm saying?
That
Which
was
is wild
smart.
foul.
Yeah, that's foul,
still,
but, you know...
Like,
if you're gonna break the law, at least break the
do it for
revenge
good.
porn law.
You know what I'm saying?
No.
Don't break the revenge. Don't break the revenge
like,
porn.
he was
Especially
wild.
on Instagram.
He was wild and doing it because he's done that before. Didn't he do something like that with Rita?
Yeah. He did. He put a church on the
he put a church on the internet.
And he never got in trouble.
Well, now he's gonna get in trouble.
Money talks.
Because you seen Chyna came through with the good wig. All right, she got the good wife wig.
Okay.
She came to court today.
Quiet.
Like, take me serious.
Quiet.
She went in the wig shop and it was like the purple ones was over there. She's like, I'm going to court.
I'm going to court.
I need something classy.
I'm coming through with somebody that looks like a star from a Shonda Rhimes drama.
Okay.
Okay.
What is your best white woman wig that you have?
Please.
I will take the Claire.
Bitch really took the Claire. It was between the Claire and the Betsy. She
Yeah,
was let me get the
I don't
Claire.
want the
Fuck it.
Betsy.
I don't want the Betsy.
I don't want the Betsy.
I don't want the Betsy.
It's shaped like a mushroom.
Yeah, it's bad.
It's not good. I don't like that curve in the back.
Bad for the brand.
What else happened this week?
Mad shit,
Trump. Trump just getting caught out here. Trump is just. At this point,
snitching
is
on
like
himself like crazy left
I
and
don't
right.
understand how the FBI can arrest like cousins and friends of mine for running guns and shit. Trump over here like blatantly paying his mortgage in like rubles and shit, and nobody's like, yo, wait a minute.
Wait a minute. This is Russian money. Why are you paying the Russian
Hey, don't
money?
worry about that.
Don't worry about it. It's the exchange rate is better. Trust me. It's better gold. I know what I'm doing. Trust
He had
me.
his daughter sitting in at the table.
At the
and
G20, nigga, looking
At
like
the
a
G20,
Kingdom,
nigga.
looking like a Kingdom Hearts character.
No,
I was like, what
you can use your kid. You can use your kid to hold your place in line when you're
Yes.
running back to get corn or something. You
Exactly.
forgot the supermarket. You can't have your kid
No.
reserve a spot at the G20.
Your kid is holding line next to you to see who gets saved first. You know what I'm saying? Like,
It's called the G20, not the
No.
G20 and
No.
Friends. You
Come
can't
on.
just be bringing auxiliary characters in
bring
this
your
shit.
fucking kids to work day. Nigga,
Donald
the
Trump
G20.
taught his seat at the G20 the way people in Boston and New York treat parking spaces when it snows.
Yeah,
you
like-
can't just put a chair there like, yo, this is mine when I
This is
come home
mine.
tonight.
Yo.
He thought Israel was going to take it away?
No.
They were like, yeah, we're going to have two chairs.
Well, the joke's on you, but Netanyahu. I'm putting my daughter there with the giant elbow bows.
She did look like the wild anime
Fam,
character.
come on.
Like she was
the
gonna-
wild unlockable fucking costume for Street
She
Fighter.
was going to fight a bear with a key.
I'm like, yo, is this G20 or Devil May Cry? Nigga,
Oh my
what the fuck
god. She was in like the sequel to Kingdom
is this?
Hearts.
Fucking Ninja Scroll ass bitch.
Oh, the theme song is just wild emotional and it's Japanese. You have no idea what it means. You hear it, you're like, yo,
Yo.
this is so good. This is powerful. You download it, you learn it. You're like, nigga. Then you actually find out the lyrics, and the lyrics are like complete gibberish.
Like, what are you doing? What is the G20 anyway? Like, G20 is like an environmental type of summit, or is it a business summit? Like, I'm lost on that. There's too many summits.
The G20.
I just remember Teen Summit.
It's the heads of state and government. It's the group of 20. It's a forum for the governments and central banks of the 20 major economies.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? Jamaica's not in it yet.
You know what I'm saying?
Not till I do this fucking coup. Wait till it's the G21.
You up there with the money phone? Like,
I'm gonna come there with the money phone. I'm gonna come there with the mesh marita, the Patrick Ewing short pants, and Clark boots me prefer.
Clark boots we prefer.
Okay.
Clarks for the summer, Clarks for the winter.
They're gonna be like, it's gonna be like, excuse me, he's eating Guinness.
Excuse me.
He's just spinning the shells right on the.
He wrote Bad Man Ting on his sign-in sheet. I don't know what that means. He says he's from a council estate.
I would like to address all the members of the G20 and also the gully side.
Big up Gaza.
He's doing the Usain Bolt pose.
Yo, that's so ill. Be like, I don't even understand that shit. And then they showed a picture of like the G20 when Obama was there, and everybody was on his dick like, yo, my nigga's here. Yo, yeah.
I was like, oh, this nigga.
Yeah, it's fucking Donald Trump. He's sitting there mad grumpy like,
he's like, no one wants to play with me.
To play with me.
He looking at
Hey,
picture.
I got the Nintendo Switch, guys.
Whoa, no Nintendo Switch. No Nintendo Switch slander. No.
I got a cop.
You got a cop one.
Is it worth it?
It's so worth it.
Yeah.
Don't play the game ARMS because apparently Nintendo doesn't realize most Americans are obese and we cannot like fucking do physical activity for long periods of time, aka 3 minutes. The game you actually physically punch like this, fam almost died.
Like Wii boxing shit?
Yes. I was like punching my. The computer's just like straight dumping me in the face, and I'm getting tighter. Like I'm getting a street fight. It was just a mess.
Yo, niggas gotta drop that game. Scrapping with a nigga.
Scrapping with a nigga?
Scrapping with a nigga.
Yeah, we're coming out with a game. We're coming out with the Bodega Boys bundle for the Nintendo Switch. It comes with all the hood games.
You know what I mean?
There's Knockout.
You know what I'm saying?
There's
boosting from the Bodega.
Boosting, taps.
You know, taps.
Virtual taps. You can play taps with anyone across the nation.
You know what I mean? We got Skelsies coming as downloadable content.
Yeah, we
You know
got Ring and Run.
You know what I'm saying? We got Knockout.
That.
You know what I'm saying?
Gotta
Out
have
there.
that. Out.
It's like California games. It's like hood games.
Hood games. Okay, running from the cops. You do like world class track meet over the over the fucking project gates.
It's like hurry! Flannery is catching up.
Hey, slow down, you piece of shit! Whoa! Catch him!
Hey!
Prosciutto's on your ass! Run!
Oh
I'm almost there.
Yeah.
Get that chop out
Slow
here.
down. Hey, this guy jumped over a fence. I need backup. Is the home run derby happening right now?
It's happening right
now?
fucking now. The home run derby with All Rise.
You know what I'm saying? That's
Aaron
right.
Judge.
2 Yankees repping.
You know what it is.
And Gotti and the Judge. You know what I'm saying? Over there representing. By the way, Judge is hitting moonshots. I don't know if you know this.
He hit the rafters during practice.
That's right.
So,
Let y'all niggas know what it is.
Let you know what it is.
No, he's not on no fucking HGH.
No.
Stop hating.
He might be black, though, so you guys might want to stop liking him.
That's true.
For that.
That's what I'm saying. That's why they're so hype off him, because they're like, oh, he's like Derek Jeter. He's black, but he's not really black. Like,
He's black
kinda
enough.
Black. He's black enough.
He's black enough.
You know what I'm saying? For us to be like,
Yeah.
we lie. I love black people. I love Aaron Judge. He's one of my favorite Negroes.
He's one of the best.
He's one of the best.
He's one of the best. He's a good guy.
He's a good guy.
You guys should be more like him. No
Christian
political
guy.
statements.
Yes, exactly. Keep your mouth shut. You see that picture of the dude on Twitter with the Confederate flag do-rag and the Colin Kaepernick jersey?
Yeah.
Look, I just did the fucking, fucking emoji.
Did you see the one about the KKK guy with the dreads?
With his dreads?
Listen, this is the world now. The world don't make no sense.
It don't make no sense.
Nigga smoking a
Donald
wild.
Trump fucked everything
Nigga
up.
listen to Bob Marley like, yes, pass the Dutchie. He's like,
Upon the left hand? Yeah.
Like,
upon
oh.
the,
That's not.
Upon the right hand side.
That's actually, I know that every Jamaican's like, no, that's not. That wasn't a Bob Marley song.
It was the kids, and it was about actually a pot of food.
Yes, it was a
Because we
pot
were
that you
hungry.
cook your food in.
It was the Dutchies, the pot.
It was the musical youth.
Yeah.
Yes, that was the name. 1982.
All right, guys.
Pass the Dutchie on the
There's
left
actually
hand side.
a social commentary on struggles and poverty. All right,
Talk
guys?
on it.
It wasn't about weed.
Talk on it.
You fucking Yakubian devils.
All right. Grind boys them.
Yo, grind boys.
Fuck Theresa May. Grind boys them.
Yeah. Did Tim Westwood do anything technology lately? Has he tricked off
No,
lately?
after his black car, he's been laying low.
He's been laying low, not
He's
trying
been
to
laying
trick.
low.
I'm not buying no more waves. No waves for you hoes.
You know, he definitely sent something to. What do you call it? Cardi B.
Cardi B?
Yeah.
Cardi B's out. Shout out to Bodak Yellow.
Bodak Yellow.
Burning up the charts.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying?
Cardi B.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas.
The Bronx is on the rise. So you don't want no problems with those guys.
You don't want no problems with these guys.
We out here. Cardi B's out there.
You know what I'm
A
saying?
Boogie.
A Boogie with the hoodie.
saying,
You know what I'm
niggas
saying?
out here.
Niggas drowning. You know what I'm saying? Got the joint of the summer. Yo, his music is sad but bangers at the same time.
It's gotten a lot of people through a lot of tough times in their life.
You know what I'm
A lot of
saying?
people,
Like, yeah.
A Boogie gets you through it.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of bad things happening. The trains is falling apart all left and right in New York.
Fucking everywhere.
Everywhere.
And it's not even because niggas is like wilding or jerking off on the train or doing wild shit. It's just like the actual trains are breaking down.
Like the trains are so bad, the people who jerk off on the trains are on the platform like, yo, what the fuck?
What's going on?
I've been waiting for the queue for 20 minutes.
Guy,
What the hell?
This is my 10 o'clock jerk off.
Shit.
Like you're making me miss it by 20 minutes. Damn it. I wanted to get that pretty fucking guy
All right,
that
too
wears
far,
the
too far.
slacks.
Problematic light is on. Problematic light is on.
I mean, as a guy.
Speaking of the problematic light, we're still doing Squarecast. Bodega Bucks still in the building.
Cornballs.
You know what I'm saying? You
Free money. It's free money.
Hey guys, at no time did I ever say DM me your fucking sob story to get the Bodega Bucks.
Can I give you the sob story of the millennium that I got? And I've been in my feelings all week. I got emotional over this. Strong black sister just needs a car to get to and from work.
Yeah.
She's just started her job as a nurse and needs the car to move around because she lives in a town that has no public transportation. And I was just like, damn. And then I was just like, bitch, get an Uber.
Damn!
Hop out.
Wow, you are a cold-blooded, heartless person. We're gonna.
But
now you brought it up. Now we have to find her and help her.
No, we gotta help you.
Thanks, you ruined it. You ruined. That's all the Bodega Bucks for the rest of the month. Because Mero got a big heart.
We gotta come through like Jay Jerky niggas. Like, you got the Civic, Daddy. You got the Tez. You gotta keep them clean, Daddy. Come on.
Listen, we gotta hook it up. Let's get her the Lambo.
The what?
She goes on the road like,
bro, she's the hippopotamus. Put it into the car in the fucking drop top.
The suicide doors trying to go to fucking Target with your.
Yo, my bad, y'all. I don't know how to work them still. I don't know how to work, yo. I'm sorry.
She doing the wild peel out?
Yo, my bad. I'm learning the paddle shifters.
Car seats, eh? The car, the kid seat, just sliding around on the fucking Italian leather.
She's like, mommy. Molto bene.
She's like, what's cams? How many cams am I doing?
The kid in the back is turning Italian. The kid is like, Maron, you fucking mooling. Yeah, learn how to fucking drive. Maron.
Oh, no. Bodega Bucks still in the building.
Still in the building.
Remember, just use
Bodega Bucks. You know
hashtag Bodega Bucks. You got to be following the Bodega Boys
of course
account. You have to have your Snap, your cash
niggas.
Tag in there.
That's right.
And don't hop on the wagon now. Like, if you just made a Twitter account to ask for it, you're not going to get it, fam. Like, come on. You wasn't with us. You wasn't with us shooting in the gym.
Come on, fam.
All right. Where was you when we was doing Bodega Boys episodes that had the dot at the end?
You know what
which
I mean?
meant it was terrible sound quality.
You know
we was recording in random niggas' apartments. Shout out to the Bodega.
Shout out to Bodega
Studios. We got to go back there and do reunion studios. All 28 of them niggas in there.
We're going to do like the VH1 Love and Hip Hop reunions. Yeah. Bring like Wild Thoughts in there. Just have a wild fight.
Who do we get to host it? We get a Sinbad?
Fucking Cardi B. Niggas said Cardi Sinbad. Sinbad would just be roasting us the entire time. How does Sinbad, who was in a Genie movie that he vehemently denies, roast you? And I think he roasted me as well.
At South by Southwest.
At South by Southwest. And fucking like, nigga, you're Sinbad, bro.
Yeah.
Like, all your movies is in the $5 bin at Pathmark. Like, don't try to come for us.
Don't let Sinbad Hive come after you, fam. They out here deep in these streets.
Yeah.
No, he roasted me about the Android. He was like,
me on Facebook.
He was trying to do that old head shit. He's trying to give me advice. He was like, get an iPhone. I've actually got an iPhone.
Yeah.
I should have listened to Sinbad.
I mean,
how much better would my life be if before every decision I was like, what would Sinbad do? First thing I do is like dye my hair platinum. Get wild swishy pants.
I'm fucking opening Variety. It's like, Jesus, nice starring in Genie movie. I'm like, oh, shit.
What happens when you have 3 dreams, you have 3 wishes, and 3 badass kids? It's Mr. Sandman, Jesus Nice as the genie. Kid rubs a fucking bottle of Vienna sausages. I come out like, who the fuck? Yo, who the fuck?
Hey, nigga, it ain't even noon yet.
You're like my genie sidekick. They're like, y'all both live in the Bible. Y'all gay? I'm like, no, I'm not gay. Little milk and cookies, little niggas.
Stop.
It's alternative lifestyle for genies.
Respect my sexuality.
Speaking of, they said Tyler came out the closet.
They said that, yeah, but then
I don't know. It's on Twitter. I don't even. You know what? I don't care.
And Tyler's such a weirdo too. Like, shout out to him, Vice fam. You know what I'm saying? But like, he's always been on that. Like, remember when Frank came out? And he's like, "Yo, congratulations, I love you, faggot."
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I was like, they're weird. Like, they do weird shit. They're weird skateboard kids from California. Like, I don't know if he's actually. And it might be that LA shit that we always talk about.
Yeah. Just fuck with niggas' energy.
Like, just fuck with your energy, bro.
Yeah.
Like, yo, Travis Scott.
like, I love the way your hair looks tonight, and I love your last single. So like, why don't we 69 on the couch?
Wow.
It's lit. yeah.
Listen, the birds are in the trap singing nice. Wow.
Beebs might be in the trap.
Listen.
You know what I'm saying?
He said, listen, I mean, shout out to Tyler.
You know what I mean? And
I was about to be like, that's like the young, because, shout out to LBGT. QIA. You always got the IA. You always bring it in. I mean, it's not going to change. It just makes Tyler's music weird now because, like, he's always saying faggot all the time. So now it's just like his fan base is going to be wild confused now.
Yeah. Is it like the equivalent of us being like, yo, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? Like, now can you just drop can you come out with a song called Nigga Faggot and, like, it's okay?
Damn.
Like,
don't give people ideas. I don't want to be, like, hosting Fool's Gold Day Off.
And Tyler comes out like, yo, Nigga Faggot!
Everybody! Like, mad white people like, Nigga Faggot, Nigga Faggot. I'm like, no, stop. Turn
that off right now. Bring A-Rap music back up here.
You are now listening to A-Rap music.
Nigga say, yo, chill, don't talk over his music, yo.
What would the clean version of Nigga Faggot be? It'd be like chicken maggots?
Yeah, it's like watching a dirty movie on FX. Like, instead of motherfucking niggas will say melon farmer. You know what I'm saying? Or like, you know what I'm saying? Mud flipper.
I'm sure there's like some heavy metal song somewhere, like some white genocide song,
It's,
like Nigga Faggot.
And
they get away with it because the lead guy is like black with dreads.
Of course.
And everyone's like, I'm not going to question it.
I'm not going to question it.
I'm not gonna question it.
It's not my place to question.
I just enjoy the music.
That's his culture.
You know?
He has a right to comment on it whichever way he pleases.
Listen, I'm just here about CBGBs.
You know, that's all. The CBGBs has been a rap.
There's been a rap. You know what else is about to be a rap for? As we talk about
all the New York landmarks.
Yeah, Webster Hall is closing.
Wow.
Yeah.
When?
I think immediately or something like that. But they said they're going to close it for renovation for 2 years. And then they're going to figure out what they're going to do with it after that, which doesn't mean it's coming back as a club. So shout out to all of you people who will be paying $3,000 a month to live in Webster Hall condos.
Let me tell you something.
With no toilet.
Shout out to bleep that. We went to the fucking Halloween party at Webster Hall one time. And my man's, he's a small, diminutive, young Latino male. He went dressed as Scrappy Doo. You know what I'm saying? So he's in a Scrappy Doo costume.
This is Halloween?
Halloween.
Okay.
And gets into an altercation where he stabs a dude in the neck.
Why would you tell that story on the air?
You know what I'm saying? Because we're going to bleep all the bad parts.
Why would you even make there be extra work for that? This podcast did not gain anything from you snitching in crystal clear clarity on your friend.
But the statute of limitations has passed on that.
No,
Actually, no. You know, I'm not gonna hold you. I think he went to court for that, and that's all said and done.
What's the statute of limitations
on stabbing somebody
for stabbing a nigga in New York?
Let's see what it is.
Call Jacoby and Myers with that.
Jacoby and Myers lucharán por usted.
I got stabbed about 3 years ago. Can I sue? I was hospitalized with a picture. The statute of limitations against the person who stabbed you is 1 year from the date of the incident, assuming it was an intentional act. A longer statute of limitations might exist if he was convicted of the incident. If it was a negligent act, the statute of limitations 3 years from the date.
Oh, so we don't gotta bleep shit. Shout the Dom. Yo, you out here, my G.
Anybody else want to confess about stabbing niggas?
Also, I would
Hasan,
like to
you got
say,
anything?
Hasan, everybody
they want to act up at Locksmith? You had to get away with the jig?
Shout the Locksmith.
Yo, shout the Locksmith. They fuck with us heavy. That's the homies. Check them out. They up there in
what's my man's name? George? Who's the owner of this shit?
Oscar.
George and Oscar sound like similar type of names.
You know what? I'm glad you made that mistake because that's two Dominican names I would set off with.
Yeah, I would be like, yo, Jorge.
I've been like Officer. It was George or Oscar.
Oscar.
They left some Platanos.
You know what I'm saying? Behind, clearly you can see it was them.
We should make a line of children's books, but they're like Jamaican and Caribbean themed for immigrant kids. Like we do like Goldilocks, but like she goes to the Dominican house and shit.
Poppy's secret family.
Yeah.
Instead of three bears, it's his secret family.
Yeah.
He's sleeping in the big brother bed and the middle brother bed.
Like Poppy told her, Poppy was like to Mama Bear, like, yo, some white girl broke in. She's eating porridge, but the white girl's like, yo, Daddy. It's like, no, Goldilocks is not my daughter. I don't know her.
Nah, you gotta get out of here.
She broke in. She was sleeping on bed. She eating porridge.
Nah, that's the big bad wolf kid. Nah,
who is that? That's not.
Chill,
she's like, Dad. She got like a drawing of you. I'm like, I don't know.
I don't know this nigga.
Goldilocks.
The nigga see me you chase through a fairy tale by Maury cameraman and shit. Like,
yo, what was up with what's going on with the three pigs? What did they have in their house? I think. Now this might be a hot take.
Okay.
The three pigs ran off on a pack on the wolf.
They did.
And that's why he was like, I'm gonna blow your house down. He was talking about like riddling that shit with bullets and shit.
he was.
And niggas was just like mocking him, like, yo, not by the hairs on my chinny chin chin, nigga.
Fuck you.
Ran off with these bricks.
Suck my dick from
What you gonna
black.
do? Oink oink.
You pussy.
You pussy, you ain't doing shit.
You ain't doing shit.
Fuck
nigga.
it. It's just
Heard
you,
about
one wolf. With 3 of us.
Fuck out of here, nigga.
It's 3 little pigs.
outta here.
Quavo, Takeoff, and Offset. You
It's
not.
good.
You know what I'm
It's
saying?
good.
We feeling bad and bougie.
Mama. Do you live on Bad and Bougie? Do you live on Bad and Bougie?
We gonna do a 3 Little Pigs thing where the 3 Little Pigs are gonna be the Migos and Joe Budden is gonna be the wolf. I will pay for that.
Yo, we gotta wrap this up. I gotta blow this house of straw down and smoke my hookah.
Who builds a house of straw?
I mean, a broke nigga.
The broke
He
pig.
was the broke pig.
Notice how he got bad pussy and ran into the nigga house, the house with the bricks.
Yeah.
See a subliminal? He went to the house with the bricks. See?
You know what I'm saying? He's trying to get some money, trying to get
All the fairy tales are drug related. If you
all.
live in the Bronx, you can find some sort of
Every
drug
single
related.
one.
Everyone.
Go open Aesop's Fables right now. Everything is drug related.
Think about it. Rumpelstiltskin.
You know what I'm saying?
He was spinning straw in the gold.
That's
nah,
right.
he was stepping on them packs.
The tortoise in the hair,
Putting
man.
a little B12 in that coke.
You know what I'm saying? Tortoise in the hair.
You know what I'm saying?
Mad fast.
A little fennel.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, got niggas got their face burning.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
A little something nice.
Tortoise in the hair.
Niggas running mad fast and shit, making it high. Tortoise was like, chill, I got that
You
pack
hot
on
boy,
me.
you hot boy, be
mad high.
easy.
I'm gonna stay in the
Be
right
easy.
lane doing 50, and I'm getting this pack back to where it need to be.
And what did the rabbit do? The rabbit went and sat front row
Yup.
at a boxing match in a fur, and then the feds got on
Yup.
him, and that's how he got back.
That's right.
Meanwhile, the tortoise drove a 1994 Toyota Acura.
Yup.
I mean Toyota Camry,
Chilling.
legal limit.
When reached for comment, he said, I'm broke, baby.
I don't got it. You know what I mean? Learn from this.
You know what I'm saying?
ASAP was the first. ASAP was feds for hood niggas
You know what I'm saying?
back in the day.
For real.
That's all it was. Niggas got out like, yo, my man just did 4 years. My man did 40 years in the fucking pyramid jail
You know
and
what I
shit.
mean?
Y'all.
He came back home, though.
My
That's
nigga
my nigga
home.
Rumple.
Alright? My nigga helped. Yeah, my nigga got locked up before the Sphinx was built. You know what I'm saying? Nigga taking the wild pictures of the hieroglyphics.
Yeah, like,
Just
yo,
back when we was getting money.
in the state greens and shit, like, yo.
They got the hieroglyphics of like an old BMW as like hookah, like some chick with
The wild
titties.
rope chain and shit, like, yo, shorty with the titties out.
Yo,
like,
this is me and Alpo and Pharaoh.
You know what I mean?
We was out here.
My nigga Sun Ra.
Y'all was getting it like this.
But y'all was in niggas, yo. you
Yo.
ever- come on, my nigga. You ever chill with a nigga with a head of a hawk?
Yo, fam,
Never.
when the Israelites was like wandering for 40
Come on,
days and 40
man.
nights, who was their plug though?
Who was it? Nigga, I'm the outlet. Nigga,
When
fuck
niggas
the
had
plug.
manna coming from the heavens,
That's
what
right.
was
Who
manna?
was that?
pure puree, you know
Yeah,
what I'm saying?
mans.
Had that flood in the block.
Uh-huh.
All right?
You already know what it is.
You know, remember when they said Moses parted the sea? Mm-mm, that was me. I caused the
Nah,
drought. I
nah.
flooded the block, nigga.
You already know what
No
it
one
is.
else was moving packs.
No way.
At all.
A nigga part of the B12 is what he did.
I got a hot take. Just came to me. If weed is natural, shout out to, what's that guy? The cucumber guy? Cucumber?
Cucumber.
Whatever, yeah.
Make your dick get long. Is it Maccabee?
Maccabee.
Is that the Maccabee?
If weed is natural, shouldn't Adam and Eve had weed
True.
in the Garden of Eden?
They-
But
it
they
should
didn't
have
have
been
roll
true.
up.
They didn't know to roll it up.
Wow, imagine that. Like you just surrounded with acres and acres of
Yeah.
this beautiful, lush
Yup.
kush.
And God was like,
Do not accept the backwoods from the snake.
You can take any tree, but not the backwoods
Not
tree.
the backwards
That's
tree.
what really happened.
this nigga was like,
Yo, these backwards burn mad slow though, my nigga.
There's an entourage tree right there.
Them shits is 2 for 5. They're trash.
God said not to.
Nah, my nigga, these shits burn wild slow. Yo, trust me, you're gonna get extra lit.
I don't know.
And I got this activist on deck.
All right, okay. All right.
Let's get it.
All right.
you go.
Eve, do you think we should follow the snake?
I don't know, yo. Like, he's bugging, but like, he's that type true, because like, them backwards be lit, my nigga. Nothing, nothing. Like,
God said not to go to the backwoods tree. How dare you betray him?
nigga, you pussy. You gonna listen to that, nigga? I thought you was the man.
I could see a vagina.
I'm saying, nigga, if you want to touch this shit, you better go get them backwards, motherfucker.
We just did Bronx biblical porn. Listen, we are setting trends and
Everywhere.
standards here.
Trendsetters, man.
Trendsetters.
Come on, man.
Trendsetters.
Trendsetters.
Damn.
Is Trendsetters is a dancehall group, or is that a hip hop shit? Because I said Ravens Clavers last time, and somebody was like, "Yo, shout out to you, shouting out Ravens Clavers." That's like a wild deep cut. I was like,
Trendsetters, was that like a DJ collective?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Trendsetters. Yeah.
Oh, man. That's so sad.
That's you know what I'm saying, everybody.
What was it? Did you hear this today? Oh, this is... Oh, that's sorry, that's wrong. I queued up the wrong thing. Sorry about that. I was trying to... Did we actually listen to the Chris Christie yet?
Nah.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Listen, Chris Christie, beloved.
You know what
I
I'm
feel
saying?
like your intro was probably better Chris Christie than
The
actual Chris Christie.
Yeah, because he's just sitting at the chair, filling in for Mike the Pope.
Well, actually, it's a tryout because Mike is retiring because, you know, because of checks and balances. Someone as powerful as the Pope can only be powerful for so long.
That's true.
So they had to like take him on.
Right,
you know what I'm saying? And he had to
now
stop.
he's going to retire to Stu Leonard's and live out the rest of his golden years.
But here, your man Chris Christie, just out here with his 15% approval rate.
He don't give a fuck because he did.
Governor,
He's not.
Next time you want to sit on a beach and it's closed to the entire world except you, you put your fat ass in a car and go to one that's open to all your constituents.
Well, you know,
not just you and yours.
Interesting, Mike. You know what?
What's that? What's that, Gov?
You know, Mike, I love getting calls from communists in Montclair.
Communists in Montclair.
You know,
you're a bully, Governor, and I don't like bullies.
You know what? And listen, I'm not the one who came on the air. Hey, hold on, Mike.
That fat ass hurt.
Mike, I'm not the guy who came on the air, swore on the air.
Who swore?
And so you did.
Get the heck out of here.
You know, you're swearing on the air, Mike. You're a bum. So let's just go. Bad optics.
Okay?
Mike,
and
I'd love to come look at your optics every day, buddy. That's you know what? And you know what, Mike? What matters is what you do. That's what matters.
What have you done?
I closed the bridge, you prick.
Chris Christie. Chris Christie has to get the job of replacing Mike Francesa
He has to.
because
He's
that will be
mad
our new
volatile.
dedication. Every day we will have people Bodega Hive call in and make fake facts. And then you know how like when people call in from like Howard Stern, like Baba Booey, just call in, be like Bodega Hive, and hang up. Be like, I saw Aaron Judge do a line of coke. Outside the Paramus Mall.
Yeah, I saw him there.
He's
a
like,
bad guy.
He's a bad guy.
By the way, Chris Christie, who is the governor of New Jersey, which contains MetLife Stadium, the home of the Giants,
Yes.
did this show on the air wearing a Dallas Cowboys hat.
Oh, yes, because he's a fuckboy.
Because he don't give a fuck
don't
about
give
New
a-
Jersey.
he don't care
give a
about
fuck
shit.
none of y'all. He don't give a fuck about Fetty Wap. He don't give a fuck about the mall. He don't give a fuck about Sea Caucus. Nigga. He don't give a fuck about none of y'all.
You know what it is? Because he knows that's what happens when
He's
a,
on the
woman,
way out.
when a woman has bad pussy.
That's it.
You know, it's just bad pussy alert. Not bad like bad, but bad meaning good.
Yeah.
You seen him.
Yeah.
You know, he got that fupa on deck. You know, he's
he
like,
lift that
yo.
shit up. That should be like, wow.
He's like, yo, who? He's like, what? I wish you would.
Nigga. You see me in this baseball outfit?
Niggas spend for this.
Nigga, I slay when I
If
step
you
to
don't
the
got a
plate.
black card, you ain't tasting this.
Excuse me.
Okay, it tastes like
Okay.
fresh gabagool.
This is not a la carte, my nigga.
If you want, all right, you want a cheap chick, you better go to Olive Garden.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
I would pay a Bodega Hive member. If we had bread like that, Sweatcash should pay a Bodega Hive member.
I know what you were about to say.
Smell under Christie's fupa.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Lift it up, smell into that shit for like 30 seconds.
We're bringing back Jackass, so we could do
Yeah,
that.
we could do
It's
that
gonna be
type of
me,
shit.
you, and Victor just
You know what I'm saying?
kicking each other in the nuts and shit.
Straight up. Like firecrackers in our butts and shit. You know
MTV wants that. They haven't had that in a while. We get Tyler on there. Like,
what I mean?
It should be lit.
Light a firecracker in his butt.
You know
what I mean?
I snort wasabi.
Put the shit in your eyeballs. Like,
I
I remember just doing some shit that I was like, wow. bro. I used to watch all them shows like this, like, wow. With my hand on my chin, like, wow, these niggas really put a car in their butt.
was like, white people was out there fucking
I'm
mind.
fucking crazy, bro.
I was like, yo.
And that was like the same era as like Steve Irwin, R.I.P., and all these people. And you really watch TV and be like, damn, white people are fucking nuts. Fucking crazy.
Yeah, you're like, oh, they're nuts. And then you like go down the block and some guy drunk off Henny just fires off 4 shots in the air. And you're just like, no, that's normal.
That's normal.
That's normal.
Yeah.
That's just Tito.
It's
He's
just
mad.
Tito had a rough week.
Ah.
You know what I'm saying? He ran out of Henny. Now he has to drink E&J.
He's just bucking shots, you know.
You know what I'm
We've
saying?
all been there.
Trying to make sure his shit ain't rusty.
Oh, shout out as always to the Bodega Hive. We got
Yeah.
the live shows this weekend.
That's right.
Brooklyn, Philly, DC. That's right. DC, we in there Saturday night. You know what it is.
I was about to do the nod shit and be like, Connecticut, DC, but we're not Connecticut yet.
Also, not to I mean, listen. Sometimes you're doing the dick flute solo, and sometimes you're actually just shouting out your
facts.
achievements.
Yeah.
We will be performing at the Just for Laughs Festival, which is one of the biggest comedy festivals
That's right.
in the world.
That's right. And
We will be
also-
on stage 2 nights after Jerry Seinfeld.
That's right. Right after Jerry Seinfeld.
Wow.
So
Is that
after
where
he
the
goes
brand
up
is?
there and complains about his wife for 20 minutes, you get to laugh at us.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? And our brand of humor. Yo, but the best thing is we also were highlighted in some variety.
As to watch.
You know what I'm saying?
Upcoming comics to watch.
Upcoming comics to watch. And also highlighted as a not to miss at Just for Laughs.
That's right.
So don't miss. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause you're
July
gonna kick
29th in Montreal. Wow. La Salle Mission Theater. The idea that we can actually, like, someone is paying for us to go to Montreal.
Amazing.
And, like, a couple years ago, I probably had, like, felonies and couldn't do it.
Amazing.
Life turns around fast.
So fast. You need a passport to get to Canada?
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm doing $100 shit like.
I was like, you need a passport. You're so Bronx.
Yeah. I'm like, oh, what?
He's gonna come with a wild faded passport. They'll be like, sir, this is on construction paper.
Sir, you have Iverson braids in this passport and gold teeth. This is clearly from 10 years ago.
So yeah. Also, don't forget about the Boston show. We still got that one coming. That's
September 29th.
September 29th.
We coming.
You know what I'm saying?
We coming through in full Yankees gear.
Yankees gear.
Like cleats, nigga. Like
All
an
that.
outfit.
I'm
like
wearing a cup.
I'm coming dressed like Jorge Posada. With the catcher's mitt and all that. I dare you.
Oh, no. I'm going to pee on my hands.
Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? Throw a bat in the crowd if you niggas get spicy.
Yeah.
Nah, we're not going to do that. We love y'all.
We love everybody.
We know
We're the
if we come through,
fans.
it's love.
It's off.
You
It's
know
all
what I'm saying?
love.
Shut to the hive.
Even the haters.
You know what I'm saying? Even the haters. They're motivators.
Remember Donald Trump, his tweet a couple days ago. He was like, yo, I did my G20 speech. Even the haters loved it.
Even the haters loved it.
We're just talking presidential, baby.
You know what I'm saying? And if you ain't got no haters, you ain't popping.
Listen, if Donald Trump could be president, you could do anything. Anything is possible. Except for the Knicks pulling off good trade. How do you feel about that Tim Hardaway trade?
Like on paper, it looks mad dumb because you realize that the Knicks drafted this nigga, had him for the low, traded him to Atlanta because he couldn't shoot, which he was a shooter. That was his whole purpose.
Yeah.
He went to Atlanta, G'd off, and now they paid him $71 million. But everybody's like, yo, y'all stupid. The salary cap went up. $70 million ain't what it used to be. Like now, a $70 million contract is a $40 million contract. So, and James Harden just got like $227 million or some shit.
No, he got like
Steph Curry got like $220 million. You know what I'm saying? So Tim Hardaway.
They gave James Harden let's give this nigga so much money and see what he does with it.
Yeah.
That's not no normal.
That's not a normal contract. That's
white people with a cigar, just like that's some Shane Smith shit. Like let's watch him OD.
Look. Let's give him so much money he makes a plane out of money and crashes it.
It's the kind of money raft.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
like, yo.
I can't wait to get to that stupid level. I want to get a deal where people on Twitter be like, why?
Why
would he get so much?
Why would you do that? They don't deserve that. I can't wait till niggas say they don't deserve that.
They don't deserve that. They sold out. That's when you know you made it. Like, they sold out.
Niggas ain't that funny.
Desus and Mero are getting paid $300 million to host the Puppy Bowl this year. Niggas are like, what
the Puppy Bowl got host?
What's this?
I thought it was just a camera in the puppy cage.
$300 million each?
What the fuck? Them niggas on camera 30 seconds.
Them niggas curse too much.
They did the intro.
They gonna be saying the N-word over kittens and shit.
Yo, look at this nigga. He must be half pitbull.
Look at this fucking dog, yo. Yo, this dog got the wild dick.
This nigga need to get fixed. His balls is hanging.
Oh, shit.
He's long ball Larry.
Yo, all these dogs are gonna get euthanized if you don't adopt them.
You know
just throwing that out there.
Just letting y'all know.
It's kind of sad, but
pitbulls and parolee shit.
Yeah. Did that show still come on? That's the one with the little person.
Oh, okay.
I'm cultured. That
started that shit is not doing something else.
He like hooks up parolees with pitbulls.
Okay.
Should we be giving parolees pitbulls?
I
guess they're safe pitbulls. Like you don't want someone to come to the parolee off with the wild
fucking
shit off the chain. Like,
hey yo, my nigga, boom!
I'm here to see my rep. Shout out to that callback. That was the pitbull that was listening to the LOX and doing push-ups. Real Hive members know that.
You know what I mean?
That's how you get the Bodega Bucks.
That's right.
We might hop in your DMs and ask you some obscure questions.
You know what I mean?
Or not.
Or not.
Or just be feeling sorry for niggas.
Well, why not?
Niggas have dental pain and shit. We're just like, yo, yeah, live, niggas.
Yeah, take a perk. You'll be all right.
Take a perk. Can you take perks for dental pain? Yeah, Percocet,
Yeah.
Probably
Percocet.
Percocet.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Because teeth shit.
You know what? Because of hip hop, I forgot what actual drugs are for.
Yeah. It's
so
just
I hear Xanax. I'm just like, oh, what's that? Like for a Thursday night?
It's
just
fine.
to calm down?
Yeah, and it's like, nah, niggas for anxiety.
Did you see Lil Pump?
Shout out to Lil Pump. Ooh, I've been pumping Lil Pump so crazy, like.
That I don't know
what's
if you
good with
should.
Like, what is he doing?
He tweeted out
problematic?
Fam, he looks problematic. He's problematic. But he's young. So it's not really problematic.
Right, he's 16.
The other day he tweeted out Xannies is the wave.
Wow, was that for my draft? See, even I wouldn't tweet that out because I'm smarter. You gotta delete that, my nigga.
And then people was like, yo, fam, like a lot of people went through opioid addiction and stuff. Like, yo, fam, you're 16. Like,
I mean, Xanax are benzos, and it's a different type of thing.
Benzo addiction,
but still, it's still something addiction. That you can fall down that hole. You know what I'm saying, and become very dependent on that shit.
Yeah.
So you got to be careful, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, you really only got to take that shit. Like, if you self-medicate with that shit, because niggas do that shit all the time.
True.
Because now, because of people abusing the shit, if you go to a doctor and you legitimately need Xanax, you got to jump through hoops to get the shit.
Right.
And if you go to a doctor and say, yo, I have a friend who has panic attacks and he has taken so and so, immediately that's a red flag to them. Like, yo, this nigga's trying to get Xannies. I'm in no way, shape, or form are you gonna get Xannies. And then they hit you with you have to meditate, read Better Homes and Gardens before you go to sleep, all that type of shit. I'm like, nigga, I'm scared of planes.
Give me the Xannies. Give me the Xannies.
Fuck, nigga, I'm
They start running around in a circle in a room and shit.
Start singing Zanzibar and shit with Billy Joel.
What you gotta do? That might be the most watched reference we have ever had on this show, and we've had some watch.
Zanzibar for me.
I'm mad Little Pumpy gonna make that his next song now. We have to sue him because he don't know what the fuck that is. That's gonna be mad hot.
Yo, honestly, I fell into that Lil Pump wave. Driving drunk home one night. Please, also do not drive drunk. Disclaimer: never do that.
Remember, what would Sinbad do?
Exactly.
Not what would Mero do.
You know what I'm saying?
We sell two different bracelets. You can buy them both.
Mero did that, so hopefully you will have to go through that. You know what I'm saying? Do not drive drunk on FDR. But I was, and I was like, Lil Pump, ooh. Lil Pump, nigga, like, yo, listen, I'm gonna play this shit for 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
10 whole seconds. And listen.
Shout out to the new sponsor, Little Pump.
You know what I'm saying? Little Pump. Yo, and fucking, this shit, when you're fucked up, my nigga, like, when you're fucked up, this is all you need.
I personally like my rap to be from 47-year-old rappers telling me to get credit.
Get credit? Shout out to 444.
You're always going on tour, and the tickets is OD stupid expensive.
Of course.
After you drop an album telling us, you know what's more important than spending money in a strip club? Credit. Guess what, Jay-Z? I can't afford your ticket. I'm gonna be
the irony of this is that there's gonna be so many niggas doing money phone photos from the front row of this concert.
Oh yeah, you know it.
Do you know what I'm saying?
That's the only reason to go.
Niggas in Hermes crocodile skin sheath skirts.
Yeah, MCM is probably gonna get shot because he's working a double duty to get a Ferragamo belt to wear to this costume, wear this shit
on his head.
Mm-hmm. You can't go to Barclays Center without a Ferragamo belt. I believe they will turn you away.
Fam, let me tell you something. Ferragamo, if you want to crush the hood, make Ferragamo belt headbands.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? And you will crush in the hood.
Wait for this Supreme Ferragamo crossover.
Oh, God.
Is that Stone Cold?
Were you able to secure a Supreme mini bike?
I don't go for physical possessions anymore.
Oh, okay.
That's what I say anytime I miss out on Supreme shit. No, I didn't even try. But I got a Supreme.
Yo, we wild popping, nigga. Hit us with the dirt bikes, nigga. We trying to be in the hood like them little motorcycles.
You know, we got Supreme. If we need Supreme, we can get Supreme.
We got that.
We got the hookups. You know what I'm saying? We just don't like to lean on niggas.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I want it from Jebbia himself.
Ooh.
Acknowledge the brand.
Name names.
You know what I'm saying?
Name those names.
You know what I mean?
Speak those names into existence.
You know what
I'm saying? Being so house, talking to niggas and shit.
Kanye's listening to this shit in his pool house right now. Like, these niggas is funny as shit. I'm about to sign them.
How come no rapper has... I thought Jay-Z was subbing us. Because there's a part of Marcy Me, and the way he keeps rapping, I think the next word is going to be Mero, but it's not. But you listen to it, it sounds definitely like he was about to be like something like Jesus and Mero. Or maybe I could be on my own dick.
But and honestly, we've been championing Jay hard forever. Like,
the first rapper that mentions us is probably going to be like in a bad way, but we'll take it.
Hey, why not?
Like a real rapper, not B-roll yo.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. You know what I'm saying?
He still listens.
My car fast. You just got a podcast. Desus and Mero. That's a fab line right there.
Oh shit! You mentioned Midori earlier.
Shout
out to Midori.
Tell me she didn't die.
She didn't die.
Okay, good.
Legendary Pinot star. You know who her sister was, right?
Who?
Jody Watley.
Jody Watley was Midori's sister?
Yeah.
What?
You can Google that.
What?
Yeah. You didn't know?
Bruh.
She's moved on. She's moved on in her life. Leave her alone. Let her be.
Yo, that's ill though. Oh, but she's on some regular shit now.
Yeah, everyone.
Like Maya G. Maya G's like, yo, I do real estate now. I used to do Pinot, and his man niggas I mentioned like, yo, let me see that bust that pussy open.
She's like, this is a 3-family duplex with an open floor plan, stainless steel things.
All the mentions is like, yo, big one butts 12
I don't care about that open floor plan. Show me that open pussy, man.
Yo, give a fuck. Yo, your Twin Peaks is white. Yo, let's see that box.
That's the problem though, because porn stars get treated weird because it's just like they get shamed for doing porn by the people who enjoy watching them. Like that happens with, shout out to Janice Griffith. Her mentions are a fucking mess.
In shambles all the time.
And it's just like people who are retweeting her.
Slut.
And they're like, you dumb slut, you how dare you ask
You don't even know all you do is suck cock for a living. You don't know anything. Like, I've seen shit like that.
You could go on her timeline right now. It's just like, yo, Fab, she's making porn that you enjoy.
That you fucking beat your meat to, nigga.
Fuck? What's the beef?
How you beating your meat to shorty and then you mad?
That's a lot of porn is people do not like what they're sexually attracted to.
Oh, so they hate beat.
Hate beat.
Oh, man.
Hate beat. You got hate in your dick.
Yeah, beat it, nigga.
Hate beat.
Death.
Oh, hate beat.
Hate beat. Hate on the beat. Hate on the beat. Hate beat.
Hate
Yo,
beat.
man. Shout out to Hate Beat.
I mean, if you look at like a lot of like when they show the national averages for porn, like a lot of like places are like highly segregated. A lot of people beat their meat to interracial porn. A lot of places that don't fuck with gay people.
There was a huge uptick in like Muslim porn.
Yes.
Quote unquote.
What's her name?
Mia Khalifa.
Mia Khalifa rode that wave,
even though she looks
and
like
all
Michael Imperioli. Shout out to her. I cannot unsee it.
I know. Every time you mention it, I re-see it.
Yo, shout out to you. Yo, you're beautiful. You know what I'm saying? But you look like Chris. You look like Christopher Moltisanti.
And that's whack. Like people were just jerking off to like the girls with the head thing. Like, come on, what's
come on,
like
what's
that's
the
some
point?
that's just
hater shit.
That's leading to hate crime shit.
Yeah,
like now you go listen.
That amps you up to do some hate crime
Yeah,
shit.
you can't
know
be.
what I'm saying? Come on.
I mean, like not everybody, but if someone's not in the right mindset and they see that,
no shots at the actresses. You know what I'm saying? Get your money. You know what I'm saying? But like. Y'all niggas consuming this shit, man. Gotta check yourselves.
Check yourself, correct yourself.
You know what I'm saying?
Because big dicks in your ass is bad for your health. Why did Ice Cube say that?
I don't know.
Who? No, this guy in the studio was like, whoa. That's not gonna age well.
Fam.
It's not gonna age well.
I know it's 1990 something right now, but trust me, when Desus and Mero talk about this, it's not gonna be in a positive light.
Think about Ice Cube was like, nah, chill.
Chill, I got this.
KRS One said I was cool to record here because he made 12 and good. Yo, shout out to the studio engineer that let Jay-Z be like, yo, Jews own everything in America.
Yo,
listen.
Hey, I mean, listen.
I feel like the people he was with are so rich. They're just like, whatever.
Leo Carter's in that like, talk that shit, Jay.
We do.
Talk that shit, Jay.
Talk that shit, Jay.
Let me get in there and do some ad libs. I'll talk about some Hamantushins.
Laheim. Is that the new? That's the new ad lib.
That's the new ad lib.
Laheim. Aaron Judge breaking news: 17 home runs in a row.
That's right.
17.
In every game, 17.
No, 17 right now in the home run derby.
Ooh.
Yes. I could have read that wrong. I don't know.
He's gonna hit 30.
He's gonna hit 30.
He's gonna crush.
What was the guy that killed somebody?
He's gonna win.
What was the guy that killed somebody?
Tony Stewart?
No, baseball player. Had mad tattoos, wild addiction. Hamilton.
Josh Hamilton. Yo,
yes.
he got mad second chances.
Huh? At Yankee Stadium, he ran out of gas at the home run because he was doing too much. Yeah, first round. He shouldn't. He was like showing off and he didn't like pace the shit out. So he didn't win the shit.
They talked about, and look, listen, I feel bad for anybody that's addicted to anything, but my man's, let's keep it funky. Were it to be a black or Latino player, they wouldn't have got the chances that my man got. My man got a guaranteed contract. They took him back in. He went back on the shit. They had a nigga that was watching him 24/7, and he snaked off on that motherfucker to go do his thing. And they still was like, yo, my man, like, we want to help you. It's like, fam, nah, send this nigga to rehab. Cancel that bread, bro. Like, he fucked that up. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, niggas, if look, right now I shave my face. I look like a AAA Scranton prospect. If Joel Martinez, you know what I'm saying, star pitcher for the Yankees was to do that shit, it will be super quiet.
Oh, yeah.
Super quiet.
Oh, I definitely call
Let them catch me with weed on post. Nigga, I'm barred.
I definitely call it Chris Christie and be like, Kid Mero. First time, long time.
Cancer.
Kid Mero, he's a poison in the locker room. Why would they even allow him? You know, I see Aaron Judge. He has his whole future ahead of him, and now the plantain supernova. Sorry, Chris. I'm sorry, my tone. I'm sorry,
Chris.
Why is this guy allowed in the locker room? I saw the interview. He's talking to Meredith Morera. He has a big he got the baby dick blunt behind his ear.
Joe.
What message is that sending to his kids?
Joe, as a governor, let me tell you, this guy recently moved into my state, and I am ashamed. I am purely ashamed of him.
Be.
He drives down Route 4 blasting reggaeton, blasting dembo. I don't understand the words. I know they have to do with sex and drugs. It's appalling. I want to close the bridge just for him.
I don't see why you don't.
I need to throw him to Dykeman.
I was going to Elizabeth, New Jersey the other day, swear to God, on my mother.
Unbelievable.
And he passed me in the left lane.
In the left lane.
I caught a contact. He threw his middle finger up and said, Shroom Gang.
Oh, my goodness. And he supports Barack Obama, which, by the way, that was a Photoshop of me hugging him.
No, that was after Hurricane Sandy. You were giving him the wild dick fellatio.
Yeah, why are you bringing up old shit?
I mean, I feel like you think like his little Kenyan brown dick is like a kabasa.
Chris, get off the fucking mic. Get off the fucking mic. I can't retire. I can't fucking retire. If these are the people that got... Victor, get me another fucking Coke.
Mike Francis is never retired. Where's it going? His family doesn't want him around.
Yo, you know what they say about people
He's going to just sit around
retire?
narrating shit around the house and shit?
Hey, Joe, listen. The way you put that Eggo waffle in a toaster was
My name's not Joe. I'm your fucking wife.
very poor form. Very poor form, Joe.
Next up, we got Chris and Ron Cock. Dad.
Dad.
I'm not Chris and Ron Cock. I'm your fucking son.
Chris, stop talking and listen.
Dad, my name is Mike Francesa Jr.
You put the strudel frosting before you put the strudel in the toaster. You fucking fool. I gotta go to Stu Leonard's. I gotta decompress.
Some of that Stu Leonard's is like, I don't know what we did, but cha-ching. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching.
That's what, yo, that's, because didn't he say that? That's like a direct quote from him. Like,
that's a direct quote. He got recognized. I was like, get the fuck out of here.
Fuck you, nigga.
Get out of here. Niggas thought he was the animatronic cow that flips over the cheese. Nobody knows who you are. How you on the radio? How you got...
Come on.
People to this day come up and like, yo, I listened to Bodega. I didn't know what you look like. I was like, the cover art for Bodega Boys is a picture
every
and
single
it's me and Mero. Like,
every episode.
you know, it's not that hard to tell us apart.
It's not that hard.
People yesterday, shout out to the Adidas Do-Over event. Lots of people was like, where's Mero? Where's Mero? Where's Mero? I was like, sometimes we travel and
We will. So this is what we're gonna do for you guys.
we only show up at the same time if someone's paying.
That's true. Also, if you guys really want us to, we'll just attach RFIDs to each other and like report on each other's tracking all the time. If that's what you want. If that's what y'all want. You know what I'm saying?
Actually, we were talking to Square Cash. They're gonna give us 100,000 each, and we're gonna be surgically grafted at the side.
With a square reader?
No, we're going to be grafted together, like
Oh,
can you say
nice.
conjoined twins?
Conjoined twins.
Woke
Yes.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Woke
The problematic light was like,
it was flickering, and it was like, everyone at home is like, got the tear down. Like, Jesus, grew up.
Yeah. The problematic light did the Klay Thompson dunk right now.
It's like the first time you hear your father. It's like the first time you hear your father talk about gay marriage. He doesn't use the word faggots.
Yeah, you're like, I'm proud of you, Dad.
He's like,
I'm proud of
yo,
you. You're growing.
The two gay niggas could get married. I got no problem with that. You're like,
that's
Dad.
cool. As long as they don't suck dick in front of me, I'm cool.
I'm cool with
Dad,
that. You're like,
Dad.
baby steps. 2 steps forward and 2 steps back. The Paula Abdul doctrine. Yes.
Yeah, what's Paula Abdul doing? I'm worried about her.
You know, shout out to Paula Abdul. She could not come out right now. With a last name like Abdul?
Yo,
nigga.
fam.
Nigga, imagine a Paula Abdul concert.
Nigga, if she's not signed up for TSC pre-check,
Woo!
it's slow for her. She got to get to the airport 5 hours early and show up with Simon Cowell. Like, it's really high, I promise. She's dreadful. She's drunk off Pinot right now.
In August 6, 2016, Paula Abdul performed a full headlining set for the first time in 26 years at the Mixtape Festival in Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Oh.
Damn.
I want to get Paula. Let's get Paula on Desus and Mero.
Yeah, she's come through.
Yo, Paula, come through. You know what I'm saying? We'll talk about Scat Cat.
You know who she was married to for a little while?
Scat Cat?
No, from Breakfast Club.
Charlemagne?
No, Angela Yee.
Yeah.
No.
She was married to Angela Yee?
The movie Breakfast Club.
Okay. Judd Nelson?
No.
Anthony Michael Hall?
No.
Those are the only two niggas right there?
Emilio Estevez.
Emilio!
He was in Breakfast Club, right?
Emilio! Yeah, he was like the bully.
Yeah, yes, he was in Breakfast Club, yes.
No, he wasn't the bully, he was the jock.
He was the one, yeah. He wasn't the girl that scratched her hair and made the
no.
drawing with the dandruff.
Yeah, no,
he was
no.
the one punching, talk about... But he wasn't the guy, he wasn't the dark one whose father burned him with a cigarette. That was Judd Nelson.
Yeah, he was mad dark.
Damn, the Breakfast Club.
Yeah, that was
I just realized Breakfast Club and Breakfast Club Charlemagne's thing is it's not the same.
It's not the same.
I didn't
It's
realize.
very different.
Wow.
There's way more black people in Charlemagne's Breakfast
Every
Club.
morning, John Hughes wakes up like, what the fuck is this?
What is this crap?
Donkey of the day?
It's fucking up my search SEO. Yo, John Hughes still
Let's reshoot the Breakfast Club.
Oh damn! R.I.P. John Hughes.
Did he die? Oh, heart attack.
We gotta redo.
09.
We gotta redo Breakfast Club.
Redo Breakfast Club.
And
Me,
Lehman.
you,
Yup.
Angela Yee,
Lil Bow Wow.
Charlemagne, Little Bow Wow. Who else is in this? Rick Ross.
Who's the janitor? Rick Ross the janitor.
Who's the janitor? I don't know. Bill Maher.
Bill Maher's the janitor.
Yeah.
And he calls us the N-word.
Yeah,
and then we
but in a
jump
cool
him.
way.
In a cool way. He's like, "What's up, my niggas?"
He's like, oh, you niggas is here on a Saturday? And y'all Muslim? Huh?
yeah. Yeah.
Oh, man. And Sinbad. Sinbad's the janitor.
Oh,
yeah. We gotta do more work for Sinbad.
Facts.
Sinbad comes in. Y'all niggas here on Saturday. Whoa, hey, watch out now.
Yeah. You got the glasses that flip up. I'm like, those are Dwayne Wade's glasses. Nigga.
Man, my family talk. It's a different world. I'm like, that's a different show.
From where you come
That's a different show. That was with Whitley Gilbert.
Was it?
Should we do a reboot of A Different World, but in Hostos, Bronx Community College?
A lot of Puerto Rican single moms. That'll be the Puerto Rican single mom.
Got the wild reggaeton starting.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
A lot of Joe Kim Noah ponytails. You know what I'm saying?
A lot of girls trying to cross the street at 3rd Ave against the traffic. Like, I'm running late for class.
Yo, what the fuck, yo?
Yo,
y'all niggas, I got the right of way. I'm pedestrian. Y'all fucking stupid.
Damn, we never gonna give the speech at Hostos now. They're like, nah. Pedestrian? Really? Really?
Like, Mero, you was here for a month and flunked out. How you do that?
how you got jokes? You flunked out, nigga.
How the fuck did you do that?
They're like, did this dude do that?
Did this dude did this?
Oh shit!
You know when they give you like this nigga never came to class grades? I got this nigga never come to class grades like Hostos. Sorry, Caymans.
Wow.
But it was a great campus.
Do you guys want to let me blow your little podcast listening
topic.
minds? Right now it is 9:04 p.m.
That's wild.
On a Monday night.
That's right, y'all.
That is how dedicated we are.
And that's
to
why we're
doing
talking
this
extra
podcast.
spicy.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
It's late night. It's a sexy time.
Yeah.
Pour a little Courvoisier.
Yeah, I mean, it's sexy.
Quiet storm.
Put my thumb in your butt.
Nice and warm.
Put my thumb in your butt.
I did that hood shit where like I bought like the wild cheap rose and I like spread it from the front of the apartment. I ran out, so I did a spaced out mad big. So, but there's like ones in the, you get it. And then I got like a Magnum and it's like some fucking, it's like strawberries and whipped cream. Yeah. But I got lactate pills because I'm also wild lactose intolerant.
Facts.
So I'm just letting mom know, like, if we do that, I'm gonna be farting a lot while I'm blowing it up.
I might blow it up, man. You know what I'm saying? But they'll be quiet. You know what I'm saying?
I'm hitting her with a wild stroke from the back and just hit like a brrr. I'm like,
oh shit.
I gotta run to the bathroom.
You're like, listen, you hit the wild fake ball, like, damn. That shit felt mad good. Damn.
Chill, I'm gonna take a shower real quick. She's like,
damn, nigga.
what sticks in here?
Yo, what's coming out of the shower?
She's like, is this the chocolate for the strawberry? Like, no, don't do that.
No. Is there something in the drain? What happened?
You flushed in the toilet. It's like,
Did a rat die in there?
the toilet is not flushing. Now you panicking and shit. You get all sweaty. You're like, You trying to scoop water from the faucet?
Fam.
In? Like that? Like, yo.
Fam, there's been a handful of occasions where I've had to break from smashing, because you know when you do one of them like all overnight sessions and you're like smashing, it's like yo, we're gonna smash for like X amount of time, then we could take a break, watch a show,
Gatorade break, you know?
Yeah, you know what I mean, chill, whatever, and then comes back to smashing. You gotta take the wild dump in that shit in the middle. So you go to Dublin, you know what I'm saying? You fly first class to Dublin, and then you
on Ryanair, yes.
You know what I'm saying? Yes. Erin go cock. You know what I'm saying? So you drop the wild Dublin, you know what I'm saying? And then you wipe till it's white, you know what I'm saying? Which is the old adage.
Or till it's red because you wipe so hard, now you bleed it. He's like, let me be really clean for shorty.
And then you over here, and like, you just wild self-conscious about your anal regions, man. Like, yo.
Or worse, she got like the wipes, and you're like, oh, let me use one of these baby wipes, but you says like, do not flush. You're like, oh shit.
Oh shit.
I got the wild shitty rag. I can't throw her fucking garbage.
And she don't got the window up back.
I'm like, oh shit. Like, you're panicking. Like, should I just eat it? What the fuck should I do? You throw it down. You're like, you're gonna be good. In the morning, the fucking bathroom look like Mogadishu, mad flies and shit. She's like, what the fuck?
Yo.
I'm like,
You just gotta open medicine cabinet and take the most dustiest bottle and just stick that shit in there. Like, you don't really need these prenatals.
Like, just flush all her birth control out. Like, yo, fuck this.
Yo.
I'd rather have a baby than be embarrassed.
Like, yo, this definitely gonna control you fucking me again, Mom. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, fuck. Ow, fuck.
God damn.
That's so nasty.
So nasty.
So nasty. Let me find out.
Sometimes I wonder what Barack Obama's doing.
Like right now?
Right now.
I feel like if Donald Trump is like watching TV and tweeting, you know, Barack Obama's doing the wild opposite. He probably chasing Michelle around. Like he just got like an apron and he got his butt cheeks out. And she's like, bro, Barry, stop.
Like, come here.
He got like the tongs and she's turning the fucking burgers over. He's like pinching at her butt, like, come here, Michelle.
Michelle, come here, baby.
Let me touch your south side. Hey, come here. Come here.
Let go.
Hey, you ever slept with a president? She's like, Barry, you know I have.
Oh, hey, how's the hottest first lady of all time?
Ooh. Ever slept with a president that was compromised by Russia? Hey.
Hey, most of the meat is on the grill, but I got some raw for you.
Hey, got this big dick. That's not fake news. It's Barry time.
No.
Late night with Barry.
Hey, Jake ain't the only one tapping, if you know what I mean.
Woo!
Hey. Michelle's like, Barack, stop.
Barry's so stupid. Malia and them in the back, like, y'all nasty.
I can hear y'all.
Just because the world's not watching doesn't mean we can't watch.
Oh, my God.
And why was my bed wet? What's going on in there? What do you do here in the daytime?
Mom, why you wearing my Joey Badass shirt? I told you not to wear that around the house like that. I could see your nipples.
Secret Service just came out with like terrible nicknames for them and shit. They're like, big Asiatic dick is leaving the house.
BBC has left the building.
Okay.
BBC
is getting in the beast. BBC has on flip-flops. Barry out there with the flip-flops.
Poom Poom Bring Life is meeting BBC at the market. I am escorting Poom Poom Bring Life. Are you secured with BBC?
Okay, Pussy and Cocky has made the perfect team. Over.
You both landed.
They both landed. Wheel up.
Officer Johnson, we haven't shot outside Officer Johnson for a minute. You know what I'm saying?
Officer Johnson.
He got bored. Right. He's like, yo, ISIS is lying. These niggas is just making me laugh now. So now he don't even care. He's not even typing shit.
Give a fuck.
He's just listening.
He worked for the U.S. government. The U.S. government doesn't really exist now. Like, everyone in the U.S. government is just happy they're still getting checks. Yeah. Because half the diplomat positions wasn't filled. Like, mad stuff.
Yeah.
Donald Trump did not. You know, like when Victor comes, he comes with like mad forms and shit. Yeah. And it's like 8 forms. Yep. And it's like, yo, fill this. And one is like, yo, are you a legal immigrant? I'm like, I'm not reading all this.
Fuck out of here.
Just show me with a sign. And that's what Donald Trump did. And Victor's like, yo, you have to come back and finish this later. And I'm like, yeah, nigga, my butcher block food is here.
Get out of here.
I gotta drink my lemonade and cayenne pepper shot.
But shout out to Victor for coming through with this shit like, nigga, just sign here and here.
I don't know what the hell I'm signing.
The socials there, the address is there, the fucking everything's, every nigga's names is there, all that.
And you read it closely, it's like, I signed everything over to Victor. I was like, what does that mean? He's like, no, that's a legal thing.
It's just a legal thing.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry
I'll hold you down. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, my niggas.
I'm not running off. All right, you laughed a little too hard at that.
Why would I run off on the plug twice? Come on. Think about it.
Come on. Wait till next year. It's gonna be Victor and Nick Cannon present Wilding Out. I'll be like, Victor's like, yeah, my next thing, I'm gonna stage a coup of Antigua.
I'll be stopping shot like, nigga, we ran out of Simply Lemonade, B. Ain't no more in the back. Hey, didn't you used to be on that show with that Jamaican cat?
What? And I come through with the mop like. Used to be. Used to be, and I move. There's a breakage in 4.
Fuck out of here.
I must move the mail.
Yeah.
Niggas walk by like, oh, Desus Mero. Niggas like, stop. Now I hear that. Stop.
No,
play
please.
The Bumba team.
Oh, fuck
you and fuck Eric Reinhorn.
We just start mad extra Jamaican. Like, fucking mama huevo.
Fucking Viceland. Fuck Viceland. Got your pizza time right here, motherfucker.
Mama huevo, coño.
Fucking Eddie Wong. Action Bronson. 161? Used to be History 2 channel. Yeah. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
They should bring it back. They should bring it back. I like
it was a good show.
I like it better.
It was a good show.
I like it better when he was saying the thing about the history and the thing like that.
Yeah.
You know, now it's a whole bunch of people talking kaki ahí, mierda.
Look, I have weed.
Oh, yo tengo yerba. I have weed.
Ooh, shows. I have weed.
Oh, look at me. I have a machete. I have a cinco machete in my house.
Ski mask, fronts. Batman. I'm Batman.
Get fuck
You know
out
what,
of
Batman? Desus and Mero when they was on.
Yeah.
Even though they asked for $50 million an episode in the second season, and that's why I canceled it. Which I completely understand.
Let me just jump into like our fucking 05 fucking Bentleys that are parked in like the employee parking spots.
They're like, let's do the negotiations. I'm like, you'll find this piece of paper significant and the amount we need.
Yeah.
And the next fucking scene is us getting thrown Jazzy Jeff style out of fight.
Yo, but I'm gonna keep shit super funky, my nigga.
Keep it funky.
This new NBA CBA got
niggas thinking,
hype, bro. Like
you saw that James Harden number. You was like, wait a minute, anything is possible. Listen, James Harden, 228 millions.
5
years, right? 4 years.
4 years, dog.
75 for 10. 4 years.
Bruh. And they give LeBron like what, $1 billion forever for life? Like, yo, this nigga out here finesse Chloe, and then he finessed the fucking that Maury nigga. How you finesse the Kardashians and then finesse an NBA owner? God damn.
He's the reverse Blak Chyna.
God damn, bro.
Shout to him. Get that.
And then they went and got Chris Paul and paid that nigga, that old ass nigga. Which I would have loved to have on the Knicks, by the way. You're not old, Chris Paul. I mean, I feel like we're the same age.
Listen, I would love to have anyone on the Knicks.
How old is Chris Paul?
Chris Paul, I want to say he's 32.
34?
No, Chris 33? Paul.
He's definitely not 34.
His age, he's 32.
32?
Oh, wow.
Right.
Shout out to Chris Paul.
Yeah,
Shout out to Chris Paul, 32.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, he's just not helping with facts anymore? We talked about that, about the gradual descent of Victor. How Victor was like the fat guy. He was like, yo, don't say that, don't do that. Now Victor don't give a fuck.
He's too sexy. Nigga,
Victor come in. Victor got the chest hair out.
When the nigga cut
you know
his
what? He
hair.
had that fucking Bruno Mars song. And I was like, yo, you changed up on niggas.
The 24 karat magic was in the air. Nigga was over.
Like, if you listen to the early episodes, the speed in which he would fact check shit.
And he actually niggas in the middle of his sentence is like, actually.
And now...
I was remember the actually guy, so I was a little bit far back.
Now he come back, he be like, yo, remember episode 63? Like, that wasn't correct. I'd be like, what? He was like, the thing you said, whatever, it's whatever. I'm like, nigga, you know what is your point here, man?
Yeah.
I feel like, are we on WBLS? I think
I feel like we on fucking.
Can we open the damn Oceans are live? We could open this and like do love lines and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
And give niggas terrible advice and shit.
Fam, I feel
put
like
a ball bearing underneath your foreskin to really pleasure her.
Oh, is it lovely? There was a nigga on Bang Bros. I don't even know why I remember this. There was a homie on Bang Bros that had the wild fucking growth on his dick.
Oh yeah, the Cuban.
Yeah, he was like, yo, it's like a pearl. I put a pearl in my dick.
What's the one with the bus? Bang bus?
Bang bus?
Bang bus?
I was like, nigga, that ain't no pearl, nigga.
Listen, sometimes you gotta.
And that shit was all fake. You worked in the piano industry. You know that shit was all fake.
What?
All the Bang Bus shit.
Oh, yeah.
The later shit was definitely for real fake.
Oh yeah, no, all of it is fake because you're not driving a bus around. And you have to sign what's called a 2257 disclaimer thing that proves that the performer is of age.
And all that.
So you're not picking some rant. It's not like a TV show where we're gonna do an interview and then we're just at the end be like, yo, sign this form. Like you definitely get to get the form before, and you got to provide like forms of ID and stuff.
Cash cab members are.
They had to do that too.
They're surprised because they think they're being picked up to go to a studio for a show.
Yeah. But like they're pre-screened and like all that stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Damn. Everything I know is a lie.
Everything. The 2257. That changed. That's any book, magazine, periodical, film, videotape, anything digital about porn. That was a very big thing. And the problem was they wanted it. You should be able to look up online to see. So because people wanted to be personally able to check.
Yeah.
If people were of age. So somebody was like, yeah, let's make a database of all the porn stars. So you could so basically there'd be a porn star database that would just have their government names and their addresses. And everyone was like, nah, chill.
Are you kidding?
So I had to change that up.
Fam. And like, again, going back to all the adult film stars that we know, shout out to Janice Griffith, Christina Rose, the whole gang, Jada Stevens, all that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Fucking... That's wild dangerous because a lot of them niggas that be in their mentions is like beyond thirsty. It's like
there's more like I'm gonna cut your head off and go fuck your like that kind of shit. Nobody wants that. We kind of get those.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but I feel like
but sexy time, like cute. Like these, I just wanna kill you.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like oh, these I just wanna crush you. I'm a big girl. I'm gonna crush you with my thighs. I'm like, first of all, you should not be DMing me. On this account.
Please
log into Jesus Loves BBWs. Keep it low, Ma.
Yo, I want you to reach the darkest part of my ass. You know the BBWs when they spread it open and it's like it just changes from like it's like a black hole. Like he just
changes. It looks like the beginning of Star Wars when the text is scrolling. It's just like changing colors and shit. Yeah.
Long time ago.
Far away. Yeah.
Can your dick reach?
Start making the lightsaber noises with your joint like.
Yo, when you hit a big joint. And you hit in the walls, and it's that massive cheek in between you and hitting the bottom. And you hit the bottom, nigga, you feel like fucking A-Rod in 09.
Yo,
like
when Shorty got the wild yeeks, and they're like not proportionate to her.
Yeah,
like it's like a separate identity. Yeah. You're like, yeah.
And you still hitting the bottom.
You hit it, and you just look down at it like, what the?
Yeah.
Let me tear this loaf up. Oh man!
Goddamn!
Just talking nasty. Why? Because Bodega Boys After Dark. Nasty.
So nasty.
We have a special guest tonight coming through. Romeo Santos.
Mami, llegué. Tu héroe latino, tu favorito. I'm so nasty. Guess what I was doing yesterday on Dykeman? I was at Mama Sushi and I got recognized by 3 bitches. All 3 of them was named Yesenia. I was very surprised. But then they said to me, Papi, prende la hookah. And I did. And then I said to her, Mommy, for me to prender la hookah, you have to prender my hookah, if you know what I mean. And then I took her into the car bathroom and I got the wild sloppy toppy. Shout out to my nigga Mero and Desus because they always talking about double toppy. I got the triple toppy because I'm that nigga. me quité. I'm off this. If you niggas want me to talk some more, it's gonna be 50 grand because I'm the head of Rock Nation Latino. Me fui, me quité. Suéltame en banda. Peace, my niggas.
Who was that? Was that I Don't Fucking Baby? Was that I Don't Fucking Baby's brother?
Yo, nigga came and just snatched the mic.
Just snatched the mic, showed up, his Rock Nation hat and shit, like Rock Nation Latino. Shout out to him.
Shout out to niggas thinking that we signed to Rock Nation because we rock the hats and shit.
Yeah, I was like, also people thought we were signed to OVO because I wore, we
shit?
both had on OVO.
Yeah,
I'm like, we could be. Drake.
I mean, Drake,
if you're listening to this, please release Hillary's 33,000 emails.
Yes, please.
If you can hear me,
let them go. Release them to the public. They need them. They need to find out about her Papa John's favorite order.
What if Drake revealed that fucking Trump was he has evidence that Trump is dirty with Russia?
Imagine he was I ran triz with that nigga.
Okay, that's a different story
Like
than
some
I was
wild
going.
extra shit. Yo, hey, niggas just come through it was me and Justin Trudeau and Trump, and we was up there, and Blak Chyna was just acting all types of wild.
Wow.
And she was just dubbing all Rob's calls, man. It was wild. He just kept calling, and we just kept laughing.
Oh.
And smashing. Wow. Rob, you too messy, my nigga. You too messy. Bájale algo, loco. Bájale do.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo. Shout out to the homie Taxstone who is tweeting. Shout out to the homie, my guy.
Illustrious.
My guy.
Jada Kiss. I got CEOs bringing cell phones to my cell.
Oh, wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow, that's hot boy. That's hot boy. Shout out to him, free the homie.
Free tax. We screaming free tax to the free tax. I told y'all niggas I was going to scream free Nace to the free Nace, and my nigga Nace is home now.
See? Pat's home. Everyone's home.
Everybody's home. Black Pat home. Nace home. You know what I'm saying?
Tax home next.
Freaky soon come.
Freaky
you know what I'm
be
saying?
out. You know
Tax
what I'm
be home come soon.
My man Donald Trump be home soon.
Yeah.
Donald Trump getting locked up.
I'm dying to go to Trump Tower.
He's like, no, you're not going to Trump Tower. You're going to Bookings, nigga.
This White House shit is a dub.
And Donald Trump is wild thick. So
nigga, he's getting his back blown. He's getting his back blown.
He gonna have some wild name. Niggas gonna call him fucking Thunder Snow or some
nigga.
shit. Yo,
Young Biscuits. Nigga.
Yo, Donald, bring the yeeks to my cell.
Yo, Donald Duck, come over here and quack on my shit.
Oh wow.
Nigga, just like a wild dick. Did you like that? Was that good?
Wow. Nah, he'd be super max or
Listen, I enjoy the hair in my mouth with them when I do the rainbows.
Wow.
Damn.
The father back light just burned out, which I don't even understand because of LED light. The shit just did the wild flame and scorched up my eyebrow.
So then the hacker is all the as a computer nigga, does it incense you when you see all the movies and niggas press the button on the computer and the shit starts sparking and smoking? Mm-hmm. That makes niggas upset.
Well, they actually have something like that. There's a...
I know, because I did it with a drill, literally yesterday. I got my chairs reupholstered, and I was drilling a drill the dude who sold me the house left. So I'm drilling the chairs together, you know what I'm saying? And I'm drilling, and all of a sudden I'm like, damn, this shit is hot as fuck. A drill is not supposed to get this hot, nigga.
Right.
It's burning to the touch and shit. So I'm like, fuck it. I just go in and get a pot holder, and I just keep it moving, because I'm like, yo, I got 3 more screws. Nigga, this shit starts smoking me on a Saturday night. And I was like, bruh, this is potentially hazardous. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then, but I kept doing what I was doing because I'm Dominican and we don't care. We don't go to buy new shit. We just use garbage and reassemble it. You know what I'm saying? You know how we do. Shout out to Papi.
Listen, do you guys know about the USB killer stick?
What the fuck is that? I'm about to start calling my dick, though.
I like that.
You know
That's
what I'm
good.
saying?
That's good.
You know what I mean?
That's a good term.
But it's because this for the older shorties. Yeah, new models that don't got the USB port. It's not for you.
I pull it out, flip it over, put it back in?
Nah. We're not coming with the dongle.
No, the USB killer stick is like a dongle you put in the
Apple
USB port of a laptop, and it destroys the computer right away.
Wow.
It's a capacitor and just discharges electricity and fries the circuit boards because a lot of manufacturers do not put any kind of protection on the USB port, so you can put mad energy real quick and just fry out the computer.
Wow.
Just putting that out there in case you Bodega High people want to be nefarious.
Yeah.
Start destroying shit.
Well, you know what I'm saying?
Is that how we started the revolution?
Yeah, we're not mad at y'all.
Listen, you guys thought Mr. Robot was just a show. That's just real life.
Shit is real life, nigga.
Me and Mero are right now. We are trying to hack Sally Mae's database.
Exactly.
That's the final month of Bodega Bucks. We're gonna wipe away all the credit card debt.
All the credit card debt. Listen,
we're also gonna probably overthrow the government, but I don't know.
But that's what I'm saying. Also, let's keep shit. Again, you're more seasoned in this field.
Yes.
Why hasn't somebody hacked the shit out of Sally Mae or whatever the fuck and just dubbed that whole shit?
Well, think about how much
come there's not
money.
an industrious young coder out there or
because
young guy out there who
you
wants
have
to do that?
a young coder that could probably do that, but it's a whole industry. It's a banking industry. It's a student loans industry. So there's going to be backups on top of backups on top of backups because something like Sally Mae, credit card debt is so valuable that's money.
Yeah.
So there's paper backups, there's electronic backups, there's backups of the backups. You'd have to wipe out probably the whole internet in order for, and even then they'd have paper backups and still email you like, yo, y'all niggas owe credit card debt.
Damn. So this is what we're gonna do. Bodega Boys are about to make this fucking $5 million. I'm gonna buy Iron Mountain.
Okay.
You work on the tech side of things. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna take all the paper shit and light it on fire. I might smoke it. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And then you just fry the fucking Sally Mae's servers.
Even better idea, stolen from Call of Duty. Remember in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, Shepard fired the nuclear weapon.
Yes.
You had to turn the camera towards it.
Yeah.
It detonated in the air over the United States, creating what? An EMP.
Yes.
An electronic magnetic pulse.
Yep.
Wiped out all the computer systems.
Yep.
Now, first of all,
is that real?
that's real if you can get your hands on a fucking nuclear weapon. Like,
yeah, but like an EMP sounds like something that's, I mean, like, I'm not a tech nigga, but that sounds relatively easy to make.
it sounds relatively easy to make. It's not. Because if that was the case, people would be making them left and right. You need like a huge pulse from a nuclear weapon. And the thing is, yes, if you set off a nuclear weapon, you'll get an EMP blast. You're also gonna get a fucking nuclear weapon blast. Like no one cares. No one cares that the computers don't work anymore because niggas get fried to fucking calamari.
I don't give a fuck about my Wi-Fi because I just got vaporized into atoms.
But Fox News keeps doing shit about like, yo, North Korea's gonna do an EMP. North gonna do an EMP, and it's just like.
And now that you're saying that, you reminded me. I don't know if it was a rapper or an actor was like, yo. Y'all talking about Rob Kardashian when North Korea just launched a missile that could hit Cali or some shit like
it could
that?
hit Cali or Alaska. And people were just like, so what do you want me to do on Twitter?
Like,
you want me to tweet at North Korea? Like please, you want a hashtag, nigga? Like there's certain stuff you can control. If a nigga is pointing you down with a missile,
come on.
I can't control that. Ain't a hashtag to stop that shit.
They can't.
I could call D-Ray like, yo, fam, like
yo,
do something.
I could send the nigga the conceited gif if y'all want. Yeah. But like, I don't know if it's gonna work.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, I mean,
maybe I hit North Korea with the SpongeBob. Yeah, I'm gonna bomb you, California meme. Like, no, that's the most I could do. Listen, I could slapbox. I can punch niggas.
That's it.
If y'all got missiles,
you know what I'm saying?
Jesus is out.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna sit this one out.
I feel like I max out at an automatic rifle.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not holding no fucking bazooka, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I be watching all them crazy live leak videos that you be showing me with the niggas shooting bazookas and all that, RPGs. I'm like, nigga, I'm not shooting a fucking RPG. I was like, man, that's a bomb.
Exactly.
That's a bomb in a tube that I'm trusting that has been buried in sand for 20 months. Like, are you crazy? I'm not shooting that shit.
We would not be good guerrilla warfare people.
No,
like,
nigga.
if Russia was just like, nah, fuck this, we bring it to the streets. Like, for the first 3 days, I'd be mad amped, but then like after that, I'd be like, yeah, fuck this.
Nah, nigga, y'all niggas is not.
I gotta be on Overwatch all night, nigga.
Night? And y'all niggas is using grenades?
Wait a minute.
Hold up.
Wait a minute. In Call of Duty, when you get shot, you could duck behind and regenerate. Apparently, if I get shot, I die in real life.
I'm bleeding right now.
Niggas ain't tell me that.
Like, nah, I'm just bleeding. I'm still bleeding. I
got shot last week. I'm still bleeding. Like, where's the save point?
I'm still seeing red.
As soon as the army discovers save points,
it's over.
But America, as I said,
little flash stick shit that you put down the respawn.
As I said last week, and people thought it was a very provocative statement. No, America might be done. It's the end.
I mean,
America is Windows 7.
Yeah.
It's the end of its lifeline.
Yeah, fam.
Microsoft is no longer supporting it. Y'all want to run with the shit?
Yo, fuck
Niggas is done. We're Windows XP. Nobody wants it.
Nah.
It's garbage.
Nah, fuck out of here.
Look at that.
Oh, you want to play Minesweeper, nigga?
Nope.
Suck my whole dick.
Nope.
Fuck out of here. That's Bill Gates. Oh, you niggas want to play Ski Free? Nigga, get the fuck out of here.
Because think about it, you got like Trump was over here with Putin talking about we're gonna build a cyber. He's talking about we're gonna make a new CBS show with Russia called Cyber Unit. We're sharing information.
Listen to me, it's gonna be amazing.
It's gonna be great.
Cyber Unit RU. Get it? Russia, United States.
You get it?
It's gonna be lit.
You get it? The head of cyber communications is one top guy. He's been doing communications and computer stuff for decades.
So long.
Introducing the head of cybersecurity, Shad Moss.
And when I tell you he's been the best, he is the best. He was on CSI Cyber. for years. Amazing guy. Shad, please step to the podium.
If you look here, here's me and my laptop. I was in Moscow talking to Vladimir Putin, and I told him, stop hacking our elections. I said, Putin, how dare you hack our elections? Does Shad have to do the flex on you?
Hey, that's Photoshop, nigga.
What
Nigga, that's Photoshop.
Press conference over.
Nigga, that's Photoshop. Yo, look.
Press conference over.
Hey, yo, look, if y'all look to the side, man, the shadow is off. The shadow is off. This nigga,
Officer 116, I gotta get my private jet. I'm out of here.
this nigga's a liar.
Oh. April Ryan will cook his shit.
Shad, you know you lying.
If you don't get your little ass down here.
Shad. Now, I believed you when you crossed up AI and like Mike, but now I feel like you just lying. You're just being gratuitous.
Now you just making shit up all the time.
Shad, you was on the Southwest plane just with me. Why are you lying for the people talking to you to PJ? Only PJ you've been is the one, Olin Park, that they ripped down in Atlanta.
Maxine pull up like, boy, I should take the switch to your ass for lying like this.
Wait, she took out her glasses like, is that Bow Wow?
Is that
Bow Wow, if you don't get your little ass off that
Bow Wow, excuse me. You close the motherfucking door when you leave this house. Do you pay bills in here?
Am I paying to give air conditioning to the outside?
Like, she don't even know who I am.
Little Bow Wow, I'm proud to say. Mr. 106 in Park.
Mr. 106 in Park, yo, that's him. That's shout to him though. Who is? But like the audience, I'm trying to like ascertain and shit, but like I'm mad high and like alcoholed. How the fuck? What generation? So 106 in Park, what was the median age? Like, how old is that crowd now? You know what I'm saying? Like, are they 30 yet?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
because when 106 in Park was really when it was like banging at its
like
peak.
AJ Free, followed by Bow Wow. You know what I'm saying?
That was like, I want to say, because remember they was out there for a minute.
Remember Roxy?
When Free was like 2000.
Yeah.
And then when Bow Wow, that was like 2012.
Wow.
So that whole run right there. So
Terrence J,
Keisha Shantae, Angela Simmons, Pygon, Shorty the Prince, Terrence J, Big Tigger, who went to Truman High School.
Wow, shout out to Truman. Yo, Big Tigger's a real Bronx nigga.
He did.
Like, he really is a real Bronx nigga. Like, I think he just moved out of Bronx when he was like, fucking got a little bit. He might live in Jersey.
Mm-hmm. There's a wild photo of him like doing like a split in Truman High School. Yearbook.
Yeah, I think like recently, like from 2017.
And niggas trying to catch him up on that. I'm like, yo, don't fuck with that. They said, don't fuck with Big Tigger.
Yo, that's not. Stop. Don't fuck with none of our Bronx luminaries, B.
Think about it, because you could be a corny nigga in the Bronx, but a corny nigga in the Bronx still is a wilder nigga. Listen, you don't want him in that other borough.
Bro, I will remove all 4 of our ribs right now, and we will fillet ourselves for the next 20 minutes. The Bronx is the coolest fucking borough, city, in the motherfucking world. Suck my whole dick from the back. I don't care what you say.
We got Cardi B. I don't say no more. Cardi B, Bodega Boys.
You know what I'm saying? French Montana.
You know
what I'm saying? Get
French Montana's Monkey.
Rest in peace, Party Artie, P80.
You know what I'm saying? Legionnaire's disease.
All that.
Teenage pregnancy.
All that.
Asthma.
Only niggas.
Sin City.
Only niggas getting Zika in the East Coast.
Polluted Bronx River.
You feel me?
Maxi pads at the Orchard Beach.
You might fuck around and find a dead nigga at Orchard Beach.
Who else got black lung in their bookings?
You know what I'm saying? Not y'all.
Who else but W.B. Mason?
What Brooklyn got now? Hummus.
Mason bell jars. Shout out to Brooklyn.
Yeah, shout out to Brooklyn. Yo, them niggas is keeping the mason jar industry alive.
I have so many of those in my house because I always get to drink at Vice and I bring them home because I'm not wasteful. And my mother's like, "Are you poor? Why are you drinking out of mason jars?
That's what I'm saying.
We have cups."
Like, yo, drink out of a
cup. I was like, "It's a whole new world, Mom.
It's you don't know.
You don't understand.
We're going backwards now, but like to go forwards.
Yeah, what's
it's
wrong
like
with
Back to the Future.
It's like I was telling Jaden Smith this the other day.
Come on, get with the wave.
Get with it, Ma. You're so unwavy. You don't even know Little Pump.
No, it's a bad.
When's the last time you took a Zanny?
Bad mind ting.
Bad mind ting.
You too bad-minded drinking out of mason jars.
Yeah, but I did it for Anthony. It's a little Nick humor for everybody.
Honestly, like, and you drink more of them shits than I do, and just from the amount of like milkshakes and shit that I've gotten, which have punished my intestinal fortitude.
Yes.
Just from having those couple of joints, I feel like I live like. Niggas might come to my crib and think I'm a serial killer. Like, do you keep animal parts in these niggas? Like, why do you have 28
What are you doing
jars?
this?
What are you doing with these?
Because everyone I know that has Bell Mason jars keeps like screws and shit in them. I'm like, this is how I drink a refreshing beverage.
Sorry.
Okay, I drink my refreshing beverage from a preserved jar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So what? It had roasted red peppers in it before.
Guess what? You play Oregon Trail. I live it.
Yeah.
Now, if you excuse me, I have some preserved salt before the winter comes.
Excuse me.
I shot 400 pounds of buffalo. They're gonna go bad.
Yeah. If you want to talk to me, meet me at the saloon later.
Mero, can I trade you these pelt skins for musket balls?
Absolutely. I just shot a squirrel. I'm feeling real lucky.
Your whole family's like, we haven't had food in 4 days. A squirrel's not enough. Meanwhile, I'm just shooting buffalo like, bow, bow, just leaving them on the battlefield like, I don't want them shits.
Yo, you have killed 1,000 pounds of meat. Your wagon can only hold 200.
I like, fuck them, leave them there.
Leave them shit.
I'm just cutting off the tails and making a wild chain with them. Like, yeah, wasteful.
Fuck that.
The Native Americans are like, you have to use the whole animal. I do a SpongeBob meme. I'm like, you have to use the whole animal. Nah, I'm not doing that shit. Fuck that.
Yo, deep, dark take. That attitude has prepared the youth of America to be wasteful and just not give a fuck and just like whatever and like niggas got malaria, we don't care because we don't got malaria.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Like I'll shoot this 1,000-pound bison and just leave the shit.
Because there's no you didn't get in trouble for killing too many animals.
You know what I'm saying?
Like no one did anything.
I don't care. Who cares?
Listen, that's the sad thing about the American youth. You know what it is?
You clap that squirrel though, nigga. You was
So
feeling
good.
like fucking the sniper, nigga. Cause that fucking bullet go mad slow. That's why it was mad fast. And you got to like that shit perfect. Like,
listen,
shit was like Space Invaders, nigga. It was crazy.
Oh man.
By the way, I played Space Invaders on a giant screen. I think it was at like Garden State Plaza or some shit, and I was smacked, and that shit was incredible. And then I played fucking Marvel vs. Capcom on one of them screens that's just like mad screens put together, bruh. And I was like, I gotta get one of these.
I remember this song. This song I was playing when my parents sent me to Job Corps because I got a white girl pregnant.
To be fair, there was a black guy with dreads in the in the group as well.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were POD Hive. Look at this POD truth over here.
Oh, so we lit. Oh, so we can rap with them.
Yes,
we lit. Let's go.
I would also like to point out 3 episodes in a row now, I have played music that low key was Christian rock.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
POD,
DC Talk.
Yo, I never realized that. Yeah.
POD. Listen. Payable on Death.
Yo.
Yes. A Christian new metal band founded in 1992.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so ill.
1992.
They were mad vague though. I feel like in their singles they were mad vague about
You had to be vague, like them, Evanescence, all those stuff.
Yeah.
The way you figure out if it's a Christian rock song, replace "Baby" with Jesus. Any song where they're like, "Yo, I love you, baby. Do anything for my baby. Can't call about my baby." Now replace it. Love you, Jesus. Do anything for you, Jesus. Who carried me, Jesus? Murder my family for you, Jesus. That was a different song. That was 94.
I think that was Papa Roach. Yo, the Evanescence shit too. Now that I think about
Bring
it,
me back to life.
Bring me back to life.
Bring me back.
Just like Jesus Christ.
See?
Oh shit.
See?
Oh shit. Christian rock.
Christian.
112.
Oh shit. Yeah. I need it because you know that I'm a fiend. Eating Jesus in my belly limousine. Going to church, niggas know what I mean.
Think about it. You know who snuck under the radar for a while and then niggas got tight when they figured it out? Creed.
Oh, yeah.
My sacrifice.
Yeah.
And he has his arms out like Jesus, but like this is a little too on the nose.
Fam.
Mr. Creed.
First of all, what are you sacrificing? You're playing arenas to 10 million wingdings.
Hello, my friends, I'm there again. Hello, we meet again. It's been a while. Where should we begin? And you know, like the wild power chord.
Fam, and it's ill because there was like 20 groups like that, and they all had the same, like the lead singer sounded, look at this photograph, put it on it all hell, on anymore. Shout out to Pearl Jam, though, for starting that wave.
Fucking AA-ass hook. When you are with me, I'm free. I'm careless, I believe. Above all the others will fly. This brings tears to my eyes. My sacrifice.
Oh, God.
What kind of fucking I'm 4 weeks clean shit? I'm standing up in front of a room like...
let's meet these niggas and give them a token.
Shout out to Jesus being 4 weeks clean. I'm like...
Yeah, look. You stomping through the Stockholm shit and just smash 2 beers on your face?
I'm gonna show up at AA with 2 6-packs like, yo!
Yeah, it's lit.
Yo, y'all look mad down here. Open up, lighten up.
This shit's is frosty, nigga.
Yo, crack them open. Chug-a-lug, power hour.
Yeah.
He's like, I've been clean for 5 years. I'm
Come
like,
on, guys.
Tonight it ends.
It ends, motherfucker. Yeah, the most interesting beer in the world.
Oh, shout out to Square Cash, Bodega Books happening. Shout out to Red Bull.
Shout
out to Narcan. Shout out to Bodega Boys.
Shout out to us, nigga. We like the brand is just fucking.
The brand is brolic. The brand is taking straight HGH shots in the buttocks.
You know what I mean?
Listen, we got the live show.
Fam, in the locker room. We don't even go in the back. We just be like, yo, you know what it is.
We're doing that shit in the dugout.
You know what I'm saying?
Michael K is zooming in on it. He don't give a fuck.
Michael K's like, I've never eaten soup, and I've also never seen Desus put a needle in Mero's butt cheek.
I'm like, ah! Listen, man. Live show. Brooklyn.
Yup.
Philly. DC. Next week we back. Desus and Mero, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Back on that ass on Viceland.
And then in September, we hitting y'all niggas in the head in Boston.
That's right. Don't forget Montreal. Sacre Bleu. June 20th in Montreal. I'm pulling up with Mount Poutine.
Could come through with the poutine and the belt and the loud pack.
You know what I'm saying?
Is weed legal in Montreal?
Yeah, everything's legal in Montreal.
He's like,
you could literally smoke weed out of a sex worker's vagina.
Wow,
in the red light district.
Which all new
Yeah.
Well, yo, Shane, hook it up.
Yo, Shane, make it happen. That's your country. That's your.
Listen, we always said if you come to the Bronx, we hold you down, hold us down.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Montreal.
Shane's like, ha. Yo, anyway, it's been episode 71.
71, little nigga.
71, like the amount of games the Knicks would have won if they ran the triangle when Phil Jackson didn't get his heart broken. Aww. It's Desus Nice, a.k.a. D Device, a.k.a. Young Capoli, a.k.a. Pocket Steak Fat like Cheerio, Kiss That for Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher's Gullet, some of them might know you, bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Arano, Mikhail going off the Juve Boss, MC Little Gunga put up for 40 with your shorty.
That's right.
A.k.a. don't talk to me in the Uber.
Nigga, I don't know you.
Yes, I'm just going to Brooklyn. You want to just talk?
Okay, why would I talk to you?
You want to talk about like how Lyft is better? And like,
nah, nigga.
Fuck you.
Mustache shit is weird. Get up, fuck. Fam, I'm on level 100 of Candy Crush.
My original +1, so don't make a fuss. Desus Rothstein, the Jamaican Jew. You're all invited to my very late term circumcision. Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa. Young Chakoria.
That's right.
A.k.a. Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Kalo K. Remember when I pitched a perfect game, but I didn't remember it because I was wild coked up.
You was wild coked up, and then but you remember that one, man.
Chic was lit.
Doble toppy.
Vice K. Makuzaka. 3 Phone Jones. Desus Ex Machina. Jay Chuckle. Stanley Cups. The Human Dr. Brown is labeled. Leonardo DiCaprio. Mr. 240p because I like my peanut butter. Shout to Midori. DJ Woolite, a.k.a. you're listening to Washed FM. Coming up next, we have our mega mix of major coins.
Oh, wow.
The Curry Gold, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot the Human Meme, Word to Ja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budquist, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio can't see me. Oh, you can't see me. Oh, no. You can't. Vladimir Buffin, the Human Werther's melting in your mouth.
Yeah,
Mr. Bex on Deckerton, Ricky Tiki Squadgy, Greg Poirich, Mr. Shopping that street easy with a bad breezy, like I'm Yeezy, please believe me.
Yeah.
The black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic Mr. La Marina and a mesh marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka your problematic bae.
Bitch, we hope you enjoy.
And never take a shower with your kid because that's how they become gay.
Listen to what's in the Bible. Yo, this has been episodio 71, Mamagüevo. It's your boy, the Human Durag Flap, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. Donovan Dive, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. James St. Fat Dick. I'll ghost on you, shorty. Get ready for season 4 because I might disappear. I ain't no fucking baby. I fucking man. So look at my dab. You know what I'm saying? Check my nigga. Let me tell you something. This is Locksmith. I know the owner, nigga. So you better check the fucking guess this again. And no, I'm not stepping to the side. You fat fuck. You probably got diabetes. You big for nothing bastard. I'm dead. Nigga, I'll call Els right now. He'll pull up and chop your shit. Woo! Take my seats to Tai Chi, nigga. It's the fucking dad of the year. A.k.a. Bench Smack B. Yo Boy. A.k.a. Phil the Ass Tyson. A.k.a. Light and L. Messi. I scored 20 goals. And I don't give a fuck, nigga. Tom Brady Shorty got my balls deflated. Roger Goodell is pressing them right now to see what the PSI is. You know what I'm saying? The Dominican Dandara, dick in your baby tumbo. Ben Boss, and I have the precision of a Goosey Breitling. That is a wristwatch and also a Casio. I will make a hamster your car. You don't even understand that, but you will if you think about it. Light no Dutchie, nigga. Hello. It's a weed you're looking for.
Would you get weed with it, though?
In your eyes, I would. And I would smash, probably, maybe not. Let's problematic statement. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga, so please secure your benzos, because you know who it is, boy. It's the Zen Man, a.k.a. Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. A.k.a. Rico Sabroso, a.k.a. Baby Newport 2 for 5. Niggas got garbage on the way, a.k.a. Nino Brown, a.k.a. East Tremont Stevie B. I wanna be the one your titi is fucking, a.k.a. the plantain supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont.
Coachella.
With a snack box that only contains one wing. Woo! You know what I'm saying? Trade rumors abound. You already know what time it is. Lala's back in the building. We not getting divorced, my nigga. It's your boy, Barbello Zantlini. And if you see me in Target, my nigga, with my siege, respect my agency. Approach me like an earth sign mammal dog. That's a bear. And it's not Earth side, it's Earth sign.
Yeah, so it's an Earth sign, right?
I said URSINE, my nigga learns you something.
Niggas act like niggas ain't educated.
Come on, dog.
Like niggas ain't be smart and shit.
Niggas
Like
out
niggas be OD smarts and shit. You know what I'm saying? Niggas got mad degrees and shit.
Niggas don't read
Niggas be reading books and shit.
Niggas don't
You know what I'm
read War and
saying?
Peace.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm
Niggas,
saying?
like I be reading all the subway poetry and shit. Like
All
niggas
that.
is wild culture.
Come on, we seen the mosaics.
You know, exactly. I be reading the fucking poem
You know what I
at the
mean?
tunnel at 42nd Street
right.
that takes you from the ACE to the two.
Talk to 'em.
Okay? And if you're not a real New Yorker, you do not know that
You
tunnel.
don't know what that is.
You don't know what it
You
is.
don't
It
even
says
know
late
what
for
it
work
is.
or some bullshit like
Shout
that.
the Revs. You know what I'm saying? For putting that out there.
There you go.
know what I'm saying? Classical graffiti NYC shit.
Holla.
Yo. Tú sabes que hora es, papi. DJ Hasan, tírame la pista. Ey, oye, tienes una vaina bacana, loco. Oye, ¿qué es lo que? ¿Qué es lo que con qué lo fue? Llegó el hijo de Tito y FIFA, más duro que el bate de Gary, más loco que 5 manicomios, loco. Bájale 2 para que no te explote, guaremate. No te cruces que tú no eres de nada. Y yo sí tengo lo mío, pero es Jimmy que te lo va a tocar. Cógelo suave y ten conmigo para que tus nietos te conozcan, huele bim bim. Me quité, ya. Miren, thank you, es el campeón. Aquí haciendo un corito malo con mi primo Desus, tú sabes, me quité, ya.
Hi, I'd like to make a noise complaint. There's this Spanish guy in front of my house. I don't like. It's 3 a.m. It's 3 a.m.
Yeah, what's your name, pal?
I don't want to say my name, but
What's well? Can you tell me your ethnicity?
I'm white. I live on Dykeman. I just moved here 2 months ago.
Oh, you're white and you live on Dykeman, huh?
Yeah, it's very loud here. Could someone do something about this?
Well, guess what? I would have told you. I would have gave you some advice. Stay in fucking Connecticut, you piece of shit. Click.
Shout out to NYPD.
Yeah.
Always protected the streets.
You know what I'm saying?
As always, episode 30.
That's
71.
Right.
How have we done 71 episodes?
bro.
Wow.
It's light work, bro.
It's light work.
It's like we niggas going to gym. It's like, yo, you ever see Steph Curry, which is the light-skinned devil with the express jacket?
That's right.
Dribbling 16 basketballs at the same time with blue blockers on? That's us, nigga.
I'm with it, baby.
That's it.
Listen. I would say we see you next week. We won't, because we actually going to give y'all 3 fucking live shows. Live!
En vivo y en directo.
How sad are people going to be when they realize we're lip syncing like Millie Millie?
Oh, they're going to be tight.
Ah!
Yo.
See you this weekend, ball bags. We out!
Holla.